Blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by, you don't know? Yes, yeah, Stone man, Julia. We meet a couple times at Tough Gang Studio back in the days with Dean Fraser and Greg them and Carlos Rowley. Yeah, so it's energy, Tads, you don't know. It's a vibe. He's a big YouTuber from Nigeria. His name is Tayo. Yeah.
I just came here, I'm making a video about Jamaica. So I said I have to come here, definitely.
And look who pop up. That is it. My friend, whoa! You must reach. Yes, my friend, got you.
Tuga said the expert live and direct in Trenchtown Culture Yard. I can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we now, them can't kill we now. No, we no double say nah. We can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we now, them can't kill we now. No, we no double say nah. Yeah, we fight the fight like Mike Tyson. Everywhere champion, yeah, we mighty. I'm a only trust the Almighty. Surpass all who try style me. Show love to all who don't like me. Even though my camp on the beat, me still grind me. I have to make it one day, no time be. Blessed from birth, so you know we anointed. I can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we now, them can't kill we now. No, we no double C now. We can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we now, them can't kill we now. No, we no double C now.
Yeah. So I'm telling you that so when I hear them talk about certain things in Jamaica, and a normal thing, I say it's different. You see how they just pull up and just say, yo, what you painting and who is on the wall and them things there, and have a normal conversation. And some believes the police is there and him experience that in a Jamaica. Kind of like when we say we're going to talk to those police over there. Yeah? Yeah, DJ, sing the man. You hear me in the change sound and a ball in the man.
Oh, tell them say you walk by again. Hey, we say we not beg no friend. Oh, alright then. Enough don't know what they been saying. Others don't know what they been playing. Walk by them got the hits man top of it's out of the crate. That's why them take that touch and slaughter them right away. So we play it in the street, make it float up in the breeze. And anytime when we get play, it bring us stress relief, yo. Nah promote no criminal, nah no thief. Walk by, make a move, and burn up all the beasts. And we tell them say, play with some good reggae music. Yeah. Jamaica walk by music, yeah. Selassie.
Boom shot!
So you're welcome to Trenchtown. So you know Trenchtown and Jamaica and the world, one love. As Bob Marley the King tell you, one love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and you will be alright. You will be alright in Trenchtown.
The chicken. My church sister walk one, nobody hide from me. You look like I hide from me, so my church sister. I when I sit there again, a Friday Jamaica Day. Alright, massive. So look good, she have all like Jamaica Day things them, you know. Don't play. Look, the black, the green and the gold. Yeah, eat though. I buy chicken from?
Yeah,
the chicken bad though. I drive past with my African friend. Look good.
Well soaked and everything, neat as the bread already. Well soaked and dry it.
Bebble down.
Right at average at the clock.
That is it. Look good. You see, Lord of mercy. Man, them are going to come here, so come. You're not afraid them take away for that bumper there. Almighty God.
Six
Nicola, come out. Look good. Look good. You're off the market. You're married? Tell me if you're married. God, trust me, I'm sorry for you. Them go and come for you. Huh? Me? Cameraman. You know, in the park and come and we could try size. Yeah. Big up yourself.
Yes. I don't put my mouth.
Man, in there. Let me see that expression, man. Woo! Woo! Mad thing.
Mad thing. Bumbo class.
We say it again.
Bumbo class.
Yes, massive. You don't know another one like DJ Khalid. Me there with a general, big YouTuber, massive YouTuber. Yo, look good now, man. Yo, massive. No play with the chop. Right now, me there with Tayo Aina, and trust me, look good. Look
What's
good.
up, people?
The man there, Jamaica.
I'm in Jamaica.
That is it. Yeah. Oh, you feel we island, boom. Jamaica Highland boom. Yes, boom, boom, boom. So this is Tayo Aina. And I tell us this man almost at 1 million subscriber on YouTube. Look good now, man.
I love you.
Put some respect on the man name now, man. The man nearly reached 1 million subscriber on YouTube. So you see me now. You see, before I leave Jamaica, I want him to reach 1 million subscribers. He's a legend in I think this. Don't play with him. Brother, trust me. Big up every time I'm my African massive. You don't know Tayo Aina there in I place. And we're going to shoot some incredible content massive. One Jamaica walk by. And we're there with the legend. A great man. The man up on the road to 1 million subscribers. And a normal thing that name hard work and dedication. You hear me I tell you now? You're going to reach half an hour this still. But me feel good. Me feel good same way. So I can imagine how him feel massive. So all I massive them watching this video right now, and you don't know about that brother here, make sure so you go check him out. Tayo, Zine, me just pick him up off the airport. Him fresh in our country. Look good now, man. Then I say Jamaica with it. Look good. Look. Right by airport road with it. Look good. How you mean? Tayo, we're there in our place. There's a general over there, so right now we're going to make him check out to jelly coconut and all of them good things there. You understand me? I say massive. No joke, no doubt. You understand? If you want to have your camera, you know, you have it up and running. Yeah, me general, blessings and respect always. See? That is it. Tayo massive. The man in Jamaica for the first time. That is it. Big up to all my Africans them. Yeah. You single?
No, man.
You're not single? Ladies, we serve food, you know where I go. African in that place, the man step out clean. Look good now, man. Oh, you mean, the man have all the requests to go on. Look good. You use beard oil and them thing there?
No.
So, oh, you just get it?
Just get it.
I see him thing I talk to one general downtown in a say, where you use? You have all the castor oil I use one for your one. A castor oil I use, castor oil great good?
Yeah, so man, if you sing, so the oyster sponge,
Yeah.
the oyster sponge.
Ja, no.
Irish mash.
Massive, I me introduce him here. Hold on. Wheel up. So, Tayo, in Jamaica, this is how we do it. You understand? This is a guy now out here running business. We can't call this a small business because I don't see no dibby thing here. So, you understand? Him a go natural roots, natural everything. I'm here to tell you a little bit of what I go on. See, come in, me general. Make we start it off like this. What the man name?
Jellyman.
A Jellyman, then call him?
Straight.
So once everybody a fall from the airport, I said then top first. Jellyman.
Come a glorious Port Royal. Jellyman, right a glorious. Glorious the best tasting fish.
Yeah.
Jellyman this or too.
Oh, so right there, so you mostly ends out.
A evening time.
A evening time.
You want to go a Lime Key?
Yeah.
Jump on the boat. Jellyman again.
Jellyman again. Yo, massive Jellyman. See? Look good. Let's do this.
Done of all lion is dandelion.
Dandelion. Tell him a little bit of what that do.
Pain, pressure, sugar, immune system, constipation. This is 5 morning, you have a piece of the bottle, we'll turn up on you.
Listen, you have to go have seen with a white liver in the yard.
I have it tell a puncher. See a puncher? Dandelion, Irish mash, and oyster.
Alright, so Tayo, what he's saying is that when you drink these things, your manhood.
Let's say it again.
Yeah, he's saying that when you drink these things, your manhood. You understand? You're gonna need help. You have to have a female with white liver.
You have to have market.
Yeah, you have to have market. Mean you have to be using your tools. Else it's gonna be trouble on you. You understand? That's what he's saying.
That's why it's called the Root Boy.
Yeah. So let me see this product. Oh, this one is called the Rude Boy. Did you catch it? You catch it, right?
I got it, Root Boy.
Rude Boy.
Only phone right here.
So that means that he's a bad man.
Only phone right here.
You understand? Don't play with it. And we can get it at Jellyman.
Let me take it.
Jellyman.
That's so high glorious.
So if him not there up on airport road, him the right out of Glorious. Spirulina. You have Spirulina too? Where's Spirulina? Spirulina normally green.
Spirulina.
Oh, you have a Spirulina in the back.
Spirulina is green.
So this is your product itself?
No, but we don't hold it, brother.
Okay, that is it. Oh, you mean?
A good product, a little bit as a cleanse the liver.
How much is something like this?
My product, $1,000.
$1,000. Me love them thing, you know, anything. You have none to clean out colon? Like clean out all of them unwanted stuff out of your body?
Dandelion.
Dandelion, that's which one of them?
Boss of all.
Oh, that I this dandelion.
You want your noni juice there?
So how we drink this?
1 teaspoon and you dry it like coffee. Very nice.
Oh,
Best flavor jerk season. We have the season and we have the sauce.
yeah, that is it. You mean me general? Or you mean Tayo? You probably, yeah. As a matter of fact, make we deal with 2 jelly coconut the film there. You have cool one?
Yeah.
Alright. This is which one now? Oh, but me hand back.
Butter sauce.
What's that?
Jerk sauce.
Jerk sauce. Make we try it. So much make we try him jerk sauce.
All natural indigenous herbs.
This bad. Bro.
Not fresh up. Don't tell me, you know.
This bad.
And everything we have must done bad and good.
Yeah man, this is really, when me say bad, me mean it really good. This is really good.
Extra good with bad.
Let me see it again, already?
Yeah, back.
Nah man. So I'm gonna let you get some jelly coconut. Cool one.
And we have the cool one in the back.
Oh, you put it in the back.
So when you're ready for your gallon, you get it just.
Oh.
Or you get a pot.
So you not none with more, you not none with chop man?
Yeah, man, but
Yeah, I want him chop more one and drink it straight out of there.
cool one, don't you get it, man?
Yeah, you don't know a thing, go you mean?
Take a straw.
You hold on for a straw. Me not use that still, you know. Alright, so let me explain to you. Tell you just say what's up. Alright, me tell you something about me now. You see me turn on my camera?
Yeah.
Me not lock it off and me not stop.
See that?
Me just record everything and make it just roll. The whole vibe, the whole energy. Alright, so hold on, now what kind of style is? Me not seeing gonna chop
Look
it.
again, see that?
Oh, watch your style here. And turn.
Don't fool, me sell the tools so you get 2 eye.
Blouse and skirt. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so let me hold it for you and you can pull the straw. Yeah.
You want to, right?
Look on it, man. Yeah, man, one for me
That's how
too.
you record yours.
Yeah. Wow. So,
So you want to learn from Africa?
yeah, he's from
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Yeah. So,
You heard of Nigeria before?
No.
You never heard of Nigeria?
No. I heard of? Oh, I say if I've been there.
No.
Oh.
Heard of it.
No, everybody heard of Nigeria, man.
So what did you hear
Black
about
Star
Nigeria?
Line I brought down, so we'll get you paid and come.
What did you say?
yeah, he said the black styler.
Marvelous garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brought down. Black man selling out and scrap metal. So we'll get you paid and come.
How forward. So, massive, you don't know in Jamaica, we have to put the jelly right up to, you know, a thing, make us taste it, you know? I eat, man, you can't get better than this in Jamaica, brother.
Good man, real water, back to our shell.
So, Tayo, that's how we drink it right from the shell. You understand? Yeah, that is it. Live sweet, massive. Live sweet. Yeah. Yeah, wave it again. How you mean? Jamaica, Jamaica. Wave the flag. How you mean? We're there with jelly, man.
Yeah.
You understand in a yard? You know? That is it. Look good. So massive. You don't know when I see we again. You know me don't want to stop, you know. Me just want to go on video and thing until we're ready for left. Oh, and then go freshwater fish too, you know.
Sea fish.
Where's the sea? Oh, got him. So, him not deal with the freshwater fish, him go straight sea fish. You understand? When you say you do trip for Lime Key, I think you say something like that.
Every day.
Oh, so if somebody want to go over there, they can link you.
Yeah.
Give me a number, the man, so people then can call you.
852-8392.
Alright, that is it.
Drift coconut.
That is, say number one more time.
852-8392. Boat name Drift Coconut. You want to put on a party?
Oh, you both have name too?
Yeah, man.
You both name Drift Coconut.
Drift Coconut. So everybody who want to put on a party, we can cater for it. We have a chef, man like Marky. And you get the fish them fresh out of the sea and the lobster. And we go cook for you over there. 1, 2.
Yeah, so you can tell me about, you know, tell a little price how that go.
3,000 per person.
3,000 per person. That include the food too?
No, man. Just talk what you want and we deal with the food.
Okay.
Food could be anything.
Okay, so 3,000 for the person to go
3,000
across.
per person to go across and return. As long as you want to stay, just tell the captain what time to come back for you. Everyone does a person, you free.
What you say? That is it, massive. You don't hear that?
A dealer.
So anytime I want to link Gov Lime Key, I want to call him, I want to tell him say Jamaica walk by me gonna reach. That way then me can get a free trip.
So
you understand? You video me too? Me video you and that is it. Yeah, massive, we're there in Jamaica. Look good now, man. One Jamaica walk by. Yeah, that's it.
And the one next door, check out St. Thomas, Reggae Falls. Me boss it my place, Reggae Falls. You know Reggae Falls?
No, I don't know about this still.
Nice beach, man. Niagara little cousin.
Niagara little cousin.
Niagara cousin.
Yeah, massive.
Very beautiful, very beautiful.
We're there in Jamaica and we're going to enjoy the jelly coconut here. So, hear me now, man? No, I'm going to check it out, though. I like how you say it on camera, so you know I'm going to check it out. Yeah.
That's the art of St. Thomas. Seafood, hillside. Just cross surgery. Yams.
Mad thing. Look good. Tayo, come in, Tayo. Get a run over here, so. So, General, say I'm going to offer you a Baba roots. You understand? I'm find a roots. One of them front end lifter. But when I say front end lifter, I mean, you know what I mean? Front end lifter. Make your wildest guess. Front end lifter. Yeah, make the African descent that them real out that. Yeah. So he's going to get you a Baba roots. He might find one Baba roots and make with us hold it. You understand? So how you feel about the experience in Jamaica so far?
I'm just starting. I'm just getting started. Don't worry, very soon.
Yeah, how was the flight?
Full experience. My flight was dope. It was dope.
It was dope.
Yeah, it was dope.
Yeah, smooth come through one thing.
Smooth come through.
Yeah, that is it. And the coconut?
Sweet.
Refreshing. You normally add coconut from Michelle?
Yeah.
Like you're traveling off still.
Yeah.
Jamaican one and taste different still. We still, yeah. Yeah, bless up my teacher, you don't know. Respect. Yo, the man a look feet in him and make sure say you don't know a thing go. One belly. Yeah.
So you don't cut when you're recording?
No, not really. Me just show them the entire vibe and them ready feel like how me going up cut now. Massive. We're so forward, see? Because we are waiting we get the Baba roots and then we're outside. See? One love. Let's do this, man. Cha.
Baba, 4 you get 1 free.
So man actually offer we a Baba roots, but you don't know I'm gonna make sure say Tayo get this one, you understand, from Belly. Belly, big up yourself. You're not hear me call it Belly, man. Jelly. Jelly.
On the belly garden.
Belly garden. Look like you're in a gym now. Big up yourself and respect. Hear that? Seal it. One love. See that? That is yours.
Thank you.
Baba roots. That is it. Yeah, massive. So we are off. You don't know. Big up to the jelly, man. Make sure say you get a Baba roots and things so. So all the ladies them we are seeing on the channel and I wonder if him single, him not single, so him just get built up in a Jamaica for you don't know, for chica over backyard. You understand?
I'm actually not single.
You see, him not single, so that's what I'm telling them, so you're not single. Yeah, massive, so we just left from Belly and I tell you say it's a vibe. Tayo in a Jamaica. You understand? Him look on how beautiful the place.
Yeah.
You understand? It's beautiful.
Well, this place is an island on its own, yeah? This pub we have, the iPods?
Yes, over here they just pretty much join it.
Oh, they all joined it together.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
So, from my understanding, there was like a little pieces of island, you know,
Yeah.
connecting. So let's just join the entire thing, you know, and build the airport. Because there's water on both sides, as you realize. There's water on that side too, you know. Yeah. So, massive. Tayo was saying that when we put the GPS in on where he's staying, he was like, wow, Jamaica is big. I'm like, Jamaica is a little dot, but it's big. It's big compared to a lot of places, and it's very small to a lot of places. Yeah, man. So massive, if you're watching this right now and you're not yet subscribed, please go over to Tayo's page and subscribe to him. Let's get into the million. You understand? Let him get that gold plate. You understand? I can remember when I just get my silver plate for 100,000. Oh my God.
How did you feel?
Great, man. Trust me, it was super.
How long have you been making videos?
We're going a little over 2 years, going into 3 years now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I think for part of the time when we just started, I wasn't doing much work. So maybe call it nearly a year. We just posted on there and then never do anything at all. Until I check back one day and the videos just start, you know, doing really well.
Really well.
Yeah,
Oh,
and then I
that's good.
realized, wow, I can take this seriously.
Seriously.
Yeah, and then I did that, you know.
Nice.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit on camera, like what the contents you do.
Content I do, I make travel videos. I'm mostly telling stories, traveling across the world, telling stories. I started with like Lagos, Nigeria, and then moved to Africa, and now I'm just traveling the world now. Now I'm in the Caribbean. I'm just coming from Bahamas actually.
Bahamas.
Yeah, I came from Bahamas, 1 hour flight to this place. Just landed here. From here, once I'm exploring Jamaica for 1 week. I'm gonna do Kingston and Montego Bay, and then all around. And then from here, I'm going to the next Caribbean island. Guess which one?
Guyana.
No, Dominican Republic.
Oh, Dominican. I've never been to any of them Caribbean islands.
Really?
Yeah, never.
Why? You should travel. You live close by.
I'm gonna start now though.
You should travel,
I'm gonna
because
start doing a few of them.
if you travel, then it's like you can get like more content,
Choo.
more like new content that is not just Jamaica.
Choo. Yeah, so we just drop off Tayo at the place where he's staying. Can't give out the name of the place or so, you see me, until he's gone. But yeah, so we're actually there, we just drop him off. But you know what really catch my eye is that building over there, look at that. That's a massive new infrastructure. Like, it is extremely beautiful. Look at it. It's a massive building, you know what I mean? And it's beautiful. So anybody who's building that is super beautiful. Let me see if I can get a little bit close out there. Man, I'm not that tall. Nah. But yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, massive. We'll just stay tuned for a beautiful video. It's just a great vibe, and we're gonna touch back out on the road. We just want him check in, rest off a little bit, and we're out in the street to show him exactly what Jamaica run. You understand? Yeah, so let's go, man. Yeah, massive. So we just leave back to the place where Tayo stay and thing, and we are head out in the street. So we are getting some food, you understand, some real Jamaican food. And there's this restaurant, you know, I always recommend, it's Ziggy's, you know what I mean? So we are gonna go by Ziggy's. But first we are go through half a tree. And me I tell him, ask him if he ever we shouldn't even ask him if he ever tried Jamaican KFC, because of the first time I'm there in Jamaica. But why me ask is because, you know, him probably have persons leave Jamaica and carry the KFC somewhere, and him probably taste it or whatever, we don't know. But him said never have it. Then first him ask me now if it tastes different from the other somebody tell him, tell him, just somebody we are watch this right now, just tell Tayo about Jamaican KFC.
Is it really that good? Is it as good as he's saying it is? Because if I try it out and it's not that good, I'm going bumbleclat.
Yes! Yes! I bet my money, brother. I bet my money. You understand? Him is a leg part of chicken. You understand? Roast one of the best part of chicken that in a KFC. I mean, I'll make sure them try the hot and spicy leg. Almighty God. Brother, our KFC is, we have a different name from KFC. With the name Extra KFC.
Extra KFC.
Yes.
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica. Or KFC Jamaica. You understand? I know normal thing for me. You understand? So him never get the jerk chicken. As a matter of fact, first time I come here, so everything pretty much new to him. And I like jerk chicken where him eat a foreign. You understand? Because I know some of them jerk chicken are foreign. Them jerk it the same way, but the ingredients is different. You know what I mean? Don't so we have the real bush them we use when we jerk chicken and all, and them look at something there. So we want him try that. We're gonna carry him guys Ziggy's, make him try some nice food. You understand? And the lady kind of extra, you know. So you know, say food extra. Yeah, brother. Yeah. So yeah, we are roll through. We are going to half a tree. Make us see what half a tree look like. Right now it does up. Let me see what time now. It's like 25 minutes after 6 in the PM. And in there, so we now waste no time, and we just dip on the road straight. And me promise them I'm gonna take time and talk, because most of the African them really understand me until me meet this one.
Me understand you, bro.
He understand, you know,
Me
but
understand you.
I take time with him. Me see you in a Miss Trudy comment and say, yo, you're talking so fast.
Boy, yeah, you
we have to speed. Then tell me, say, them have to slow down the video. So, yeah. I don't know that. When me talk proper English, me sound like fool. Me sound like an idiot. So me no bother try that something there.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's hard to, if when he speaks normally, it's hard to understand what he's saying. So I told him that please just reduce the speed a little bit. so me can understand you.
Yeah.
Me can understand you.
That is it. Taye Jamaica. Massive member. If you don't subscribe to Taye yet, go and check out his page. This guy has some incredible content. You see me?
Also, shout out to him, man. He came to pick me from the airport, and now he has just been showing me around. I feel so welcome. This is my first day in Jamaica, and I feel like I've already been here for like 1 week already, and this is just my first day. So shout out to him. Shout out to him, man.
That is it. Big up. And so we show love right across the world, man. Because I tell you, Tayo, I go foreign, and I tell you, I have some people in America where they check for me and make sure I'm good. So I want to make sure say anybody will come down here. Once we can meet up with you and make sure say you're good, I hate that. Because you don't know, one hand can't clap. Sin? Let's go. Ziggies.
This looks like Kenya. That's nice
Jerk chicken, man. Yeah, massive. So we pull up in a half a tree because we are going Ziggies in, but we are passing half a tree a while ago and him smell the chicken and him say, yo! And I say, yo, me can pull over. I say, no man, it's good. I say, nah man, we are pull over, man. Cause we are going to check out that chicken spot there, right up. So the plaza you are again, with the York Plaza. See it there? Look on the sign. York Plaza. And we are going to walk, go up the road a little bit. So yeah, I could stay right here so if you can. Yeah man, do it. So, Tayo massive. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah, so as I was saying, I don't know in my work too, you know, so we just go and make sure say we understand how the maths go. So we are walking at half a tree. 2-7 you know, people are come I leave to go home from work and all kind of things like that. That is it, my teacher. So we are going to check out a little jerk chicken spot up here, so a little bit. See? Let's go. Yeah. Tayo, I saw a whole heap of police there in Africa too, on the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cause you say pretty much Jamaica is like over there. Yeah, man. Alright, massive, half a tree. So we just all cross right here. After that, like the change and we got a jerk chicken spot there.
Where did you turn your name?
Jamaica walk by my teacher.
Jamaica what boy?
Yeah, what school you go?
Don Robin Primary.
Oh, Don Robin Primary. Big up your friend them at Don Robin Primary.
Respect.
Yeah, you not call a name?
Rael, Akim, Zayden, DJ, Avril.
Yeah.
No friends.
No
all
friends.
friends.
Alright, run go on back. Big up yourself, hear that? Cool. Yeah. You can't make up them something here, Tayo.
Huh?
You can't make it up. You understand? It's just real.
Real.
Yeah, man. Just real, bro. Yeah, so with the right to half a tree clock. Yeah, most of the time if you see clock, it's like the center of the town. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the jerk chicken spot up there that caught him attention. We're going up there, you know.
What do you call it again?
Yeah, half a tree. We're in half a tree, but that's half a tree clock. Yeah. Landmark. See, loads of police everywhere.
Oh, that's a lot of cops.
Yeah.
Why are they so plenty?
Most of them are new. From your judge from the uniform, you can tell a lot of them are new.
Oh.
So, you know, all the police are showing them the ropes.
How to do it, okay.
Yeah.
So when we were walking around, I just noticed that there's a lot of cops on the street. So I was asking him, why are there so many cops? He said, many of them are just new recruits. So they are new people that they just brought into the police service. So yeah, let's go find some jerk chicken.
Yeah, man, so that is it. My friend, whoa, you must reach. Yes, my friend, got you. Yo, my teacher, you, my African friend, me have a pull over a vehicle along the side after I send lick him in the van. Yeah. I want my music a place, but massive, look good. Me I hope say we not catch no copyright or nothing, but John know, massive. Hey, the man are wicked. Me I buy chicken. Look where man found the chicken pan, brother. Right at the roadside. Right by the roadside. So once you wind down your vehicle, you have to go pull over. Can you believe that? You understand? But want them see. Yeah. Oh, another panel look. Thing. Yeah. You want a slice of bread? Yeah. Yeah, man. Go with the slice of bread. Cause all if you're not eating, me mash you up. You see in Jamaica when they offer your bread, you work with it. Cause you know might get it for free. You probably have to pay for it. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Don't joke, don't, my friend. Jamaica. You think a normal place? Look good. We not leave out the glass man massive, so you don't know everything we promote. Look good. Eyeglasses and basing thing, watch. You repair watch though? Like, oh, change the battery and things. So right as you come down after 3 o'clock, if you have your glasses where you want to get, you can come check him. You don't have to go to Amazon, you understand? Or if you actually want to change your watch battery and them thing there, just check up with Gina, man. You want all a watch band, you can check with Gina, man. Look good now, man. Big up yourself, my teacher, go and hold it, you understand? Mad love, mad respect, always. That's how we do it. Half a tree. Figure that. So yo, you have to go big up somebody now. Big up somebody now.
Who that me?
Yeah.
I mean, I big up the more side, you know.
You big up the more side.
Yeah.
That is it, how you mean? See it. Blessings and respect. I'm glad you're not afraid of camera, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, so G getting paid, you know, so a leg and tie, only $1,000, right? So every evening you're there?
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Been telling me that today.
Oh, all right. You say, look. Big up yourself, my teacher. So you get paid, respect and manners, see? We're good to go. Nice and easy. Half a tree. You see it now, man. Big up every time, my teacher. My African brother, I'm there with you. They are Jamaica with you, know. You understand? First time in Jamaica. So we are showing me love, make sure say I'm all right. You know? Yeah, it's a vibe. Yeah, man. See it. Look good. Half a tree. Come in, make a give a little bit of stroll through. And we try the chicken. My church sister walk one, nobody hide from me. You look like I hide from me, so my church sister. Man say me no come buy out her thing them. And when I sit there again, a Friday Jamaica Day. All right, massive. So look good. She have all like Jamaica Day things them, you know. Don't play. Look, the black, the green, and the gold. Come out. My church sister they out here sell out. You're there tomorrow too? You're there straight till Friday. All Friday when you can come get it if you're not late. You understand? That is it. You eat though. I remember the chicken from?
Yeah.
The chicken bad though. We are drive past with my African friend. Look good.
Well soaked and everything. These are the bread already. Well soaked and dry it.
Bebble down.
Right at average at the clock.
That is it. I pass in the car and it send massive.
Stress there inside there, but you know, Jamaica Day now, so we have a focus on the Jamaica Day stuff there.
So, massive. Hear me now.
Going out clothes. Tights.
Tell me that again. So, nice tights, ladies dress, going out clothes, tight suit. Whoa, look what me talk about. Look good.
Right here.
Where dolly them there?
Right,
so all of the dolly them, you have to remember that lady there. Look good. You see, Lord of mercy. Man, them a go come here, so come. You're not afraid them take away from that bumper there? Almighty God. All I man them, listen me. When you come sponsor. If you not have a woman a yard, see how we.
Fashion.
What's that?
Right on Nicola.
Nicola.
N6 fashion. Nicola
N6.
6 kids
Nicola,
fashion.
come out. Look good. Look good. You're off the market. You're married? Tell me if you're married. God, trust me, I'm sorry for you. Them go and come for you. Yeah, look good. So me dolly them, but no look good.
T-shirt, darling, me other size, you know.
That is it.
Come on, the other side.
Yes, my friend.
Huh?
Me?
Cameraman.
Cameraman. In the park and come, I could try size.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Park and come, I could try size. Oh, you mean? So you store it on Instagram?
No, not yet.
You have to put it on Instagram, man.
Alright.
Put it on Instagram. So you can give them a, yeah, man. You give them prior notice to all of them things there. We take picture and show it up. Yeah, look there, look good. Lord have mercy. So one idea is anytime I come back at Africa, when I went out or so.
They can come Friday, can I put out everything.
Friday.
And the Jamaica day where everybody in the Jamaica color, they can pass through the whole of chicken man.
I am going to come and circle you specially for making people them see what I want. You hear that?
Right.
You're probably not there about still, but you don't know. So he's my Niger. Why you subscribe to him, you know? He almost have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Yeah. This guy's name is Tayo. He's from Nigeria.
Yeah.
You understand? Same taller and thing, you know, say woman them probably copy him out here, but you know the thing go.
So when name?
Tayo.
Tayo.
Yeah, Tayo. Like when I say Tayo, but Tayo.
Tayo.
Yeah. That is it. Oh, rate him out of 10. Oh, him look. Yeah, look for him. Tall, handsome young man.
Mama see.
Yeah, go side him there. Yeah. We say, man's hot, man. You know? You like, you know. You want that. You go see. God bless you. Make sure say all that clothes them sell off and basing. You hear me?
Yeah.
That is it. I'm here recording, you know, so I will if my subscriber them I go come forward. Massive. Look at church today. What the plaza the name again? Half a tree. What that there? Mall. So right across from Half a Tree Mall.
Right across on chicken and things too.
Right across on chicken and things. Look, the chicken and things there.
Yeah.
Here, so you have. What's your name again?
Nicola.
Nicola.
Yeah, Kian. Come here, my darling. Hello. Come here, come ask me. Come here.
Come on, ask,
come
man.
Here, man. Come ask
Come in, my nice church sister. Come in, man.
Oh, I think the t-shirt. She just got $1,000.
Oh. Yeah, man, I sell yourself. So, what if a small profit, you know? Quick sale. Quick sale. Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Big up yourself here.
Yeah.
That is it.
You not a pen?
No, me not have no pen, but you know the chap go.
Me write it.
Oh, his channel down. We don't have no pen for me, but his name is, listen,
Yeah.
Jamaica Walk By. You can't forget that.
No.
Jamaica Walk By. Where your phone there? Yeah, man. All if you don't have no service, me give you some hotspot.
Outside. Outside, I can't them nice. No
Nice. Look at my church sister. Watch your phone screen. Wait, let me get you good. Look good.
Right there.
Clean skin. Look there. Yes. Dolly dong. Yeah, find me there.
Right there. When we have
Jamaica Walk By.
Clothes, we know clean clothes.
Clean and nice. But we can't make up this year. Half a tree, me there. Look good now, man. How you mean? So
Instagram?
Yeah, find me. But I'm on YouTube too. Which one of them you normally do?
Anyone on YouTube?
I go find this now. Tayo, type it in for you. Jamaica Walk By. For the search bar there.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. We'll find it. Shall give you a subscribe now. Straight. That is it. Alright. So channel are load up. Good service. See there? Jamaica Walk By right there. So subscribe.
Right, yes, sir.
More you turn on the notification bell, you know. That way there. You know when time a video drop.
Yeah, me get it.
That is it. Big up yourself, my friend. Subscribe.
Right here.
Oh, Tayo, find a channel right away.
Yeah, find a channel. Find it now, yeah.
Yeah, since we're there. Yeah, man, that's how we go to work. In Jamaica. So this is his channel. Load up. Right
there.
See, them man have 790,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
We turn on a few months too, so you know when you drop the video. Yeah.
Right there.
That is it. One love.
Yeah.
That's how we do it in our streets of Jamaica. Look good.
One love.
That is it.
Yeah.
We got one love here.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, I feel left something here, so. I feel left something here, so. My friend, you're too nice. You're too nice. I'm going to yourself. Put a piece of food in your pocket. Big up yourself, man. You know what I mean? You're too nice.
Blessing pan both sides.
That is it. One love always.
Yeah.
That's how we do it. We are going through.
Yeah, bless you.
Yeah, Tayo. We're outside. We're going to try chicken.
They'll see you Friday, you know.
That is it. All right.
And you really know how to,
Yes, my teacher. Outside again. See? Big up every time.
you know how to connect with people.
I just the spirit, you understand? You just have to make it work. You understand? Be you at all times. Yeah, me just try to be always, every time. Some people will like it, some might not, but at any idea me comfortable because of me. You know? Yeah. I'm a follow my spirit most of the time. Cause you see, me just turn and just go to that lady there. And she was welcoming, very nice and things like that. Alright, before you probably me not sure if you're gonna come back in the arbitrary any time, you know. But me and you walk go down that side there. Let me just show you a little bit down there so before we come out. You understand? Me have bad experience with the police them on the street. Them one here. Them not really so polite. Sometimes I try to talk to them and them be like, they don't even answer when I tell them good evening more time. I don't even know why, but I don't even bother follow it up sometimes. It's embarrassing. But welcome to Jamaica, my friend. My Nigerian friend. That is it, man. Blessed love. Breathe in the nice fresh air. Yeah, we can seal it, you know?
Yeah.
That is it, man.
I saw it on YouTube. Like,
yeah, man. Lion paw, you know? Lion paw. Yeah, man. So massive. It's. Let me see what time is it. It's probably 7. Yeah. Let me see. Like it's 7 minutes to 7 in the PM, and we are in R43. You don't know Tayo, not too long forward off a plane for everybody who just joined. Yeah, so Tayo is in Jamaica. And me hoping reach like 1 million subscribers before I reach back in the yard. Oh yeah, it's just open, one dispensary shop. You understand? Yeah. Alright, I could cross a little bit over here. So it looks like it's not too long open because I don't know it. Sorry. Yeah man, everything good, my teacher. You got it? Yeah man. R43. You see how windy it is? Alright, it's windy, man. So, you know me in the street like white line. So, see, Jamaica is beautiful.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah, man. Beautiful country. Beautiful country, man. Nice.
This is a nice spot.
So Tayo, this is what you expected when you were coming to Jamaica?
No.
No.
I didn't have any expectations. I was just like, I just wanted to learn and see things for myself. But I was just like, I've seen a lot of videos on Jamaica and I just assumed that, okay, I know it's very similar to Africa because at the end of the day, we're all Africans. So
yeah.
So I knew it was going to be a similar vibe. But now that I'm here, I feel more, you know, like I'm experiencing it more. You know, I don't walk around with my camera at night like this.
Oh, you know where you're from?
Nah, I don't feel safe.
But this is okay. You'll be totally fine.
Yeah, I don't feel like anybody's going to come at me.
You don't feel that way, don't you?
Yeah.
I know when there's so many police officers around,
Yeah.
even though. But trust me, a person seeing you with this, like brawling like this, especially now, they know that you're working. And you're more likely you're probably not alone.
Alone.
Yeah, they won't know that.
They won't know that. Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
But Jamaica is not a country where man just walk up on you and pick your pocket. Or take away your things in the middle of the street. That don't happen.
Oh, really?
Nah. That will more happen like in your community where you live.
Yeah.
If you're like
Okay.
going home, some people will come and where it's lonely.
Lonely.
Yeah. Those things don't happen out here in the street. Yeah, man. Getting robbed like a 99.999 chance that happens somewhere like here. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Just walking on, and I check out this big ass billboard behind me. Looks like I'm somewhere in New York. Looks like this is their Times Square. This looks like Times Square right now.
Yeah, I always say that.
Lights are at night. This is like 7 p.m. and it's this bright at night. So that's starting to be
Yeah, man. That is the transport center.
Oh.
That's where the government bus commute, you know, and pick up and let off and stuff like that. Yeah. Nice, man. Jamaica is beautiful, bro.
It is beautiful, man.
Trust me. And it's nighttime now. And down that side is where it gets the busiest.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's take 5 minutes and or less. So I just want to show you, because your content, you probably don't get chance to see this at night if we don't link up back. You know what I mean? Yeah, so just gotta be careful on this one, because sometimes the cars that still coming around that side, they can turn. Yeah.
Over there, then they just have to walk.
Yeah, you know, me now buy now, me actually I do look at work, you understand? But big up yourself, you understand? Jamaica walk by, you see it, my church sister. Go through, we love the year, yeah? That is it. Come through. Voila. Yeah, because then they're on red light. So, we are doing. Usually one white man should have depend that. I tell you when to stop.
Yeah.
I went for cross. But we don't see him tonight. He look like I'm day off. Yeah. So we are going to. Yeah, so massive. We just move around with tire a little bit in a half a tree. So I walked a little bit here with Miss Trudy the other day, you know.
Oh, okay. The afternoon.
Yeah, like in the sun. Like it was like maybe like 12 o'clock or so. It's a different energy, different vibe in the day other than like in the night. Yeah, totally. So even Gizzard and things like that. Jamaica is a vibe and it's cool, you see? It's not that hot. No. So you have these buses in Africa? Yeah. These buses. Yeah. So here, so here's another spot.
Oh,
this is like a bus park too as well. Yeah. Just showing Taya a little bit around, you know. Half a tree. So this is what I love, you know what I mean? So that persons can come here and appreciate the culture, loving the vibe, loving the energy. It's just different, and I'm imploring on other YouTubers to come to Jamaica if you love the culture, love the vibe, you know? Come forward and enjoy the place. Jamaica is safe. I don't know what they're talking about. That's why they say this is the rate and it's not to come here. Do you feel that way?
I feel safe.
Exactly.
I feel safe as I'm here.
Like,
and the breeze is very cool. I like the cool breeze.
So, yeah, massive. Come in. So, just showing Ty a little bit. So, we're not going to walk that side, go back. We're going to go down there and just go right to the car.
Oh, wow.
All right? Yeah. So, yeah, I want to see it. Yeah. Bless up my teacher. So, pretty much. Yeah. Tayo. And they won't even know that you're not Jamaican. You blend right in.
Yeah?
You blend right in. Can't tell that you're not Jamaican. You know? So,
You know this is similar to
Nigeria?
Nigeria.
Yeah. Very famous plaza there. Pavilion. That shopping mall there.
Oh, okay.
So once you want to meet somebody in Jamaica and you're in Africa, you just tell them, meet me by Pavilion.
Pavilion.
Yeah, loads of stores, everything over there. Everything. If you're at the hotel and you want something to eat, I can recommend you go to this food court.
Okay.
Yeah, the Pavilion. Yeah, and it's not far away from you, you know?
No.
Yeah.
Close my eyes for like a couple seconds.
Jump shot, not Tabia go up on the front. Jump shot, not Tabia. Jump shot on the front, not Tabia.
Yeah, man. So we're just moving through with Tayo. We're just moving through with Tayo, let him see a little bit of the country and thing. You know, as we just roll through. Just a vibe, bro. Oh, there's a box. There's a box stuck under there. You realize this transport center is upstairs and downstairs. Yeah. So cool. So I'm showing them a little bit how you do the magic. So when they see your video, they will have an idea how you got your shots. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do. Right, cross. So what I'll do, I'll let you post your video first. And then they can watch and be like, oh, that's how we got it. Yeah. So we're going straight across there.
I'm trying to I don't want this chicken to get cold.
Yeah.
Are you from the Bronx?
Talk again.
From Nigeria.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Nice to meet you. Yeah, Jamaica.
Don't tell her.
Oh my God.
So Tayo, all right, let me introduce you. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I'm a YouTuber. He's a massive YouTuber. He has nearly 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
Wow.
His name is Tayo.
Alright, I'm gonna look him up now.
Yeah, I'm just showing him aperture as he gets some footage. And I recorded the entire meet that you just got out because I was recording. And that's an experience of a lifetime, bro. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You can't make this up. Jamaica is not like what some people sell it to be, bro. Why you think so many persons come to Jamaica, bro? It's a vibe. We peaceful. We love. I don't know.
I can see that.
You feel it? That was big up yourself, my friend. What's your name? What's that? Destina?
Jessina.
Just Jessina.
Yeah, my
What's
friend
it?
Amara.
Are your friend Amara? I was recording her while she was walking and so like, oh yeah. So, what, are you on Instagram?
No, yeah, I'm on Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Wifey.
Wifey? How you spell it?
WIFEY.
That's it?
Yeah, wifey.
So nothing.
And TikTok, wifey the broke one.
Wife in the broke? No, wife in the broke, man.
No, man, just me and myself. So,
Yeah.
like,
So if me go on Instagram and type in wifey, I'm gonna find you.
Yeah, yeah, that's
All right, follow me on Jamaica Walk By. Send me a message so I can find the page. I know I'm not gonna find that. And I don't want to, like when the video is go it and I want to put it on the screen, I'll be like, I can't find her.
What you said the name is?
Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By?
Yeah. So where are you coming from?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, man. You're so polite. I respect you being human. And trust me, that was just simply amazing, bro. Yeah, me know it's not because him that handsome and tall. You see me? But that probably...
Accent.
The accent, see it?
So
Bro.
The accent, you just heard the accent and you're like, oh, this guy's not from here.
Yeah.
Touch me now, man. You can't survive in a Jamaica. Yeah, so Jamaica walk by. Yeah, once you type in that, you're gonna find me. Sometimes we service move Lily, you know. But walk. It's walk. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah, it's walk. Jamaica walk by. Massive apple tree. So nice. Temperature is cool and things up. Follow me. I wanna make sure you send me a message so I don't lose your page and make sure say we have it. And I'm gonna send you the links so you can
This is it?
Yeah. So what is this here on Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram.
Oh yeah, so this is my page right there.
Alright, so I'm just gonna give you a follow just now.
Yeah, send me a message, please. So me not last the page. So I can put it on the screen. Cause persons are gonna ask me. If you have a boyfriend, me sorry for him, your DM I go full. Touch me to no man. Big up yourself. You guys are so nice. One love, alright? Big up. Yeah man, that was incredible.
Yeah, you got
that
to get a clip from you.
That was incredible. That was so nice. Exactly my point, bro. Yeah.
Are we crossing?
Yeah, we're gonna cross. We don't have to cross, but let me just cross right here.
We're waiting for these chicks to cross.
All right. So, as the massive passes, think you can't run, no. Jamaica walk by, my friend. Make sure you say subscribe here. That is it.
Okay, where are we going to?
Yeah. All right, we just go straight. Yeah. We park right around that side.
Oh, okay.
So we can walk here, but we have to do it faster. Sometimes these cars move. Yeah.
That was so interesting.
Yeah, so you see how I talk to the ladies in the street.
Yeah.
So it just, man, I don't know. You can't make this up, bro. You just have to be you and just, you're there. Yeah, your experience. You know what I mean? Sometimes people will think that me I make this up, but me can't make up all of this content. So that is one of the reasons why I keep my camera rolling. Yeah. All right. I told you, you might never know what to expect, bro. So I just keep it rolling.
Are those guys trying to...
No, just taxi. Some of them probably are begging my driving where they're going in a trunk.
Oh.
But a while ago, what happened? It looked like the trunk wasn't locked.
Oh.
So he locked it.
Oh, I thought I was trying to open it.
No, he locked it. Yeah. So I realized massive Tayo, him a one of them fast walker, them walk fast. You walk fast, you know.
Oh, me?
Yeah. Yeah, you walk fast. And maybe it's your height, you have long strides. You know? But yeah, massive, just showing him a little bit of half a tree as we walk through in the night. Go through me teacher. Yeah man, that is it. So we are head back around the Portmore bus stop side. That's where we actually park by York Plaza. You see me? Yeah, half a tree. Yeah man. So tell me one thing so far where you love about Jamaica.
I love the welcoming nature of people.
There you go.
And I also love the safety. So two things.
All right. Look at this. What you mean? So you see, it's so that clock where I showed you a while ago when I said it's like the center.
Yeah.
So you can judge the distance away from the clock to know how far you're going. Yeah. We're gonna try and cross because up that side is where we park. We can do it now. Yeah. So you see bread selling in at the night and all of them things there. Yeah man. Jamaica is always hustling, you know?
Yeah, I can see that.
Big up my friend. Outside, yeah man. This is Jamaica, man. So this is Portmore bus stop. Yeah, these buses go to a very popular, massive scheme, housing scheme in Jamaica.
Oh, this place.
Yeah, so usually this place is rampant. Yeah. We can walk on the sidewalk here. You know what I mean? Straight in our bus. Tayo, have you had cane before?
Sure.
Sure. All right. Good. Yeah, man. Great. All right, so we'll park over here. Yeah, man. Yeah, massive. So we're back at the car and we're gonna let Tayo taste the chicken. We just make your bossy right on the bonnet. You understand? Yeah, man. Let's do it. Yeah. I can hold the camera if you set it up and everything. Yeah, so you want the light?
No, it's fine actually.
Alright, so I got it. Is it autofocus?
Yeah, it's autofocus.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so it's unleashing the magic right now. Look good. I'm sorry for you on the spice though.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it put a lot of spice in there. Yeah.
Yes. I don't put my mouth.
Man, in there. Let me see that expression, man. Woo! Woo! Mad thing.
Bumbo class.
Wait, say it again.
Bumbo class.
Yo! Everybody try the food in after them heard that, you know. Bumbo clad. Yo! Crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, see? You have one of the leg, you know. Yeah. Bumbo clad. Yeah. Delicious. The lady said it was delicious.
This is so good, man. You guys are missing. You need to come and try this.
Oh my
Jerk
word.
chicken from Jamaican streets, Kingston.
You can't tell me that this not taste different from the ones you had, bro. And you probably have great jerk chicken in it. Yeah, man, down to the bone. Yeah. I mean,
Let's go. I need to go and finish this thing.
that is it. I mean. Hey, make sure that was recorded, you know. Good. Yeah, massive. Yeah, Plaza. We're going back on the road again. You see me? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Out in the street. Let's go. Yeah, man. So,
Now I see why a lot of people come here. A lot of
Jamaica.
Americans and stuff. Because it gives, for me, it just feels like I'm in Africa. It gives that Africa feel.
yeah, man. No joking.
And it has that whole welcoming. You know, you can't get this vibe in New York. New York, nobody gives a fuck.
No, man, different. Me go New York, man, and different people there in their own zone, man. And you would have to knock on them door and get them out of that zone. Then. Yeah. So
Yeah,
massive. We just roll out of half a tree and we are go by Ziggy's and go see if we can get some food and things. So at least him have some food with the jerk chicken where you can probably beat something breakfast if you not eat half all night tonight or some later on that night. Cause usually people dropping in Jamaica, they don't really go to bed so early. So maybe at 12 o'clock tonight, him probably do some work. Yeah, you releasing the videos from over
From Bahamas?
Bahamas?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
I'm just sending the file actually. Like now, my files are like 400 gig.
Oh shoot.
400, 500 gig. Just one video. So I'm sending it to my guys. They're going to download it and start working on it.
Start working on it.
Yeah, so this one now, I'm just capturing this one. When I'm done, I send it to them.
Oh.
So I don't edit. I don't edit any video.
You don't edit? Oh, you have a team now?
Yeah, I have a team.
Yeah.
I
Oh
can do it
man.
also, man. So much work.
Man. I'm hoping to get to that level, you know, where I can.
You have an editor, right?
No, I do everything myself.
Oh, okay. Because I saw edited by, you put the name something.
Fabian Allen, that's me.
Oh.
Yeah, that's me.
Wow.
So I don't have any editor. I actually come out here and do the footage and have to edit it myself. It's hard. It's hard. You know what I mean?
But do you do that much editing? I don't think your videos don't need
Some of them
that much editing.
Some of them
need
like
editing.
yeah.
Okay, you have to watch everything through
And go through it, because sometimes some people you just want to cut them out. Something,
yeah.
you know. But yeah. But I'm glad we do it this way, where I don't have to do so much editing.
Because if you have to do editing, it's going to take you so much time to finish. Because even with my editors, I have 2 editors, but it still takes time to release videos.
Jeez.
Because you match the drone shots with the camera shots, you pick the best shots, how do you want to tell the story, I have to script it out.
Yeah.
It's a lot, man.
Wow. You hear that, guys? Man have a team. You know, big up to all at Tayo team and all the persons working with him. You don't know, big them up every time. Where are they? In Nigeria?
Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria. Yeah. Big up every time. So massive, what guys think
So your name is Fabian Allen?
Yeah, that's my name.
Oh, okay.
My name is Fabian Allen. Yeah. So, if you want, but you still can't call me Jamaica walk by. I like when people just used to that.
Used to that, yeah. No, it's got, yeah.
Just used to the Jamaica walk by. You see me? But Fabian is like the personal name.
Personal name,
yeah.
Yeah, it's just good to,
It's just
good to also know your real name.
Yeah. Some people just say, yo, walk by. I mean like, yo, man thing. Yeah, me work with that. You see me? So, yeah, massive. On to Ziggy's. You know, massive, me kind of disappointed. But just pull up a Ziggy's. Usually them not close this early though. But as the G say, food done. So, them just lock. You see me? So, we actually look for some other little spots. There's a Chinese restaurant over there. We don't want a Chinese right now in Jamaica. You know what I mean? But see if we can find another food place. So we're up on Stone Love Road. So tonight is a big party gonna be here. You know, Stone Love, this is Stone Love HQ. You know what I mean? Big party, nice, whole heap of dance and music and beer things gonna be here later on. You see me? So the party called Weddy Wednesday. Keep right over here, so Stone Love HQ. Yeah, it's a vibe. But shoot, I'm gonna see where else we can get some good food, like right now. Yeah, so Ziggy's was closed, so we never get no Ziggy's. Ziggy's locked, Ziggy's food done. But we have a surprise. You don't know, come true, G. We are gonna actually make him try KFC for the first time. You see me? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Let's go. Alright, so you say you like the leg part of the chicken, what's up?
Yeah.
I'll make you try there.
I think I will get that's chicken already, yeah. Maybe I can get burger. I can get the burger.
I like a zinger. You know the zinger?
Yeah, I know the zinger burger. Yeah, maybe I can get a burger because there's already chicken. Maybe I can get a burger and then maybe some chicken. Do you want chicken here? You want chicken here?
Yeah, me probably buy maybe like a 1 piece or 2 piece.
Oh, okay.
And thing, you see me?
Yeah,
Me guarantee you though that this is going to be the best KFC you ever eat in your life, my teacher.
Okay.
First time in Jamaica, I mean I tell you about that something. You're not gonna, mommy telling you, I'm not gonna be disappointed now. Bro, like KFC them where you been at eat, a KFP.
KF what? P?
P.
What's P?
I don't know. A KFC we have. Eh? Well, right now Jamaica walk by, but you don't have to worry yourself. You understand? From 3 months shut off, you know say you're good. But yeah, my teacher. So, you know. Shoot, me left my phone in the car. Yeah, me pay for this.
You pay?
Yeah, man. So when I go back in the car, make you get it. But yeah. KFC. So they set up like this in Nigeria? They set up like this in Nigeria? Sure. Pretty much also just the tasting different.
When I taste it, I will say.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Is it The Zinger box.
Zinger big box.
Yeah, we can get two Zinger big box. Spicy. Can I get I prefer the Thai. What you want in yours?
The Thai.
Thai,
Yeah, spicy too.
Spicy. Yeah, man.
So 2 Zinger box, right?
Yes, miss.
3,400.
All right, here you go. Trust me, boy. When your taste is a chicken, God and you. Thank you. Yeah.
So wait, let me see the notes.
The money.
Oh, this is Marcus Garvey.
Yeah, real Marcus Garvey on there. So these are our new notes. They're recently in distribution in Jamaica. Yeah. Man. Yeah, you want to flip it?
Yeah.
You see the other one. So you have Nani and this one. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, total. Yep. This is 28.
Yeah. See how much things cost here.
Make sure 27. Oh, I'm a friend. Big up yourself. Excuse me, miss, what flavor drink you have? Oh, champagne and grape. Tayo, what flavor drink?
do they have?
Champagne and grape.
Champagne and grape.
Yeah, champagne or grape.
Champagne?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try the champagne.
It's pretty much like
Fanta?
orange type of stuff.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me do champagne.
Yeah.
Champagne is orange, yeah?
Yeah, I'll go for the grape. Yeah, man. Oh, I didn't see that there were twins in here. Those two girls, they are twins. I wonder if I can get to talk to them. Yeah, they are twins. It's been a while I haven't seen a twin, you know?
Oh.
Maybe like to find identical twins that actually dress and look the same. Yeah. So I just saw PR twin in the KFC. Yeah, that's us. One of each.
You don't get extra ketchup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can have that meal as balance as well.
You wanna, let me put it here.
Yeah. You wanna try it in here? I want to catch some reaction, you know. Make it go outside, man. Yeah, make it go outside, man. I'd rather use the light on the outside.
Yeah.
I want to catch you in time you mash up that the right way. Yeah, you can around there. Yeah, reverse it here and you can go. Good. Yeah. Alright, so Taya is actually gonna try the chicken right about now. Yes, it's burger. And we have in there so the Thai. No, man, we ordered the same thing. Yeah. different herbs and spices, my friend.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Take another bite.
I like the texture.
Texture. Yeah. Most countries don't have hot and spicy, you know that? Yeah. You don't have spicy in America.
Oh, really?
No. You have spicy in Nigeria?
No, we just tell them chicken.
All right. And we have spicy. That's our spicy chicken.
It's good.
Really good. Yeah, man. That is it, my bro.
I prefer the jerk chicken.
Eh?
I prefer the jerk chicken.
I say, me not try the jerk chicken yet, I'm soon try it though. Mad. See, got the lick off finger, you know, man. Yeah. Oh, you're going to sing at all, yeah. Yeah.
Like this drink.
Oh, you mean the what we call it? Champagne. Champagne soda. You don't have that one in Nigeria?
It's too now.
My eating them me eat like hog. Yeah, but that's why I catch you eat a little bit and then we go bash you. Cheese a bit. Good. That is it, my bro. Yeah. So massive, me have mine in a box. You know, so me don't play there eat my food, you know. Me don't play. So that is it. We so forward again and mash up some food. Tayo. So right now I'm convinced to sit down and start it. Because me there and I eat a few of the fries. I'm me up to sit down. Because God knows. So me know massive. Tayo. On me program, I see. So, on me program is this is the burger that I got. So we call this burger the stock burger. The stock. Yeah, like you have a stock car. This is how you get it. Me now have to F it up, you know? Where you remove the bread. So this is what you see when you remove the bread, right? And I have to get the fries. And I put all the fries in there. See? So you want to put the fries on there. So this is how you make the burger 2 times as better. Then we're gonna get the ketchup. Let me see where the ketchup is. Get the ketchup. And you want to put some of the boil properly. And you want to put, so all I must is them will eat the burger like how me do it, like this. Let me see when you start like the video and comment right now. If you eat the burger like this, like how you see me I do with it. Well, we have to build up the burger. We have to supersize the burger. You see me? Look good. Okay. So, get some more ketchup on there. Look good. So look good. So we build up the burger and then you're gonna get back the bread now. And you're gonna put it on it. See? You see after you put it on it, Tayo, you have to make a hard press. Hard press. See there? Hard press. You see? Just lock him back and just left out the part where you're gonna get mashed up first. Like so. See me? Make a move the bag. Yeah. So see me now, the burger make fully now. Rockstone, Tayo almost done. You know, and then I'm here.
Special style.
Almighty burger. What? I really love the most, you know, Tayo, this is it.
special walk by style.
Yeah, man. Oh, God. Okay. Somebody introduced me to this style, and I never went back. Never. I'm gonna say normal burger. Never. Yeah. That's good. All right, so we just come out of KFC and the teacher said it was good. You don't know, it was good. Yo, I'm not play, you know, for you say you see me a video, I go forward, you know. Jesus and peace. Our camera dip on me now. You see me? Yeah. Big up my teacher, respect. Jamaica walk by. So I'm here with a massive YouTuber. You understand? His name is Tayo. He has nearly 1 million followers on YouTube. So I'm just showing him. He's from Nigeria. So I'm actually showing him exactly what Jamaica kind of look like, a little vibe, the experience. You understand? So him try KFC for the first time. He said this one was good. Me feel say it was good. It was okay. Not comparing it to some other KFC where me eat where me can say excellent. But he eat a blouse and skirt jerk chicken down there so. From him take a bite. Jamaica walk by. Camera dip on me still, so you not have to worry. Tayo. Tayo Aina.
C-A-Y-O space A-I-N-A. Tayo Aina.
Yeah, man, big up yourself here. Teacher, respect, you don't know. So, we just. Yeah, man, you don't know. A chap go again, I try to show him what I go on in place, you understand? You know, remember, say them put out sitting in a whirl and I say, Jamaica not safe for coming now. When you see them do that, them think they mash way up in the bro, so we have to show a whirl, you know. And that me I say, who afraid over there that me are you out there worry about Bam? Alright, that me I tell you. Yeah. So massive big up every time, man. We're outside. And that was just a little reasoning that's a while ago. You know what I mean? You see, I think Jamaica is a polite place, bro. Polite. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. Yeah, some people miserable still, you know, but now I'm going to use the few to judge so much people, you know?
Yeah, I think all the people I've seen today, they're all nice and they're all very friendly. You just meet people and just talk to them.
And just talk to them?
Yeah,
man.
Sure, no problem. Even the lady.
Hats off to that.
The lady there in
the green.
Yeah, she's just
she was just start talking.
She came back to meet me and said, do you like it? I'm like, it feels like a family.
Yeah, that's the vibe, that's the energy. So, you know, this is actually day one. You don't know, him not getting a rest, so I just bring him back, go to the hotel, and that's it for today. And you don't know, we're gonna get some more stuff.
Man. Thank you so much for making me experience the first beautiful day in Jamaica. I feel like I've been living here for a very long time. I'm just hanging out with him.
And it's like maybe about 2 hours now we're out there.
Yeah, it's like maybe 2-3 hours.
3 hours, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, massive. So, we're there. Stay tuned. We're not done yet. We're going to see. Remember, we're not getting the real local food yet and them bunch of things there. So, you don't know. Day 2, you can see what I go on. Mad thing. So it's another day, you don't know, I'm still here with Tayo, you understand, and trust me, we're trying to get some brilliant footage for today. So it's day 2, I shouldn't talk, yeah, so it's day 2 and we're in Jamaica with Tayo. And we just stroll through half a tree and we're gonna get a few, you know, things here. So we're gonna head to Emancipation Park massive, so let him see what Emancipation Park looks like and you know what it's all about and bunch of things. So it's just going to be a great day. We have a long list of things to do and let's see how we just get it done. Tayo, where you say day 2 work.
Day
work
2,
meds.
let's go.
That is it. Straight work. Him not play. Him work. You understand? And a joke thing. Him try to get all of the local things them that you would not normally video. That is it. You understand? So let's go all massive. Let's do this. Day 2. Yeah, so we just arriving at Emancipation Park, and you don't know, Thai over there. Yeah, nice. Emancipation Park with the, yeah, great tire. And we're just gonna show him a little bit of what's going on here at Emancipation Park. It's a lovely day, very busy day. Surprised that during the week Emancipation Park look like this. You know what I mean? Trust me, it's just a great vibe, for real. Yeah, man.
So this Emancipation Park, what's its
yeah?
security as like a security room, and then, as in, what's so special about it?
Emancipation Park?
Yeah.
Emancipation Park is more like telling about the eras. As you can see that line going down, you see all of the eras on their faces, what it looks like, a little bit of history about them here, and it's just like a recreational place. Yeah. Yeah. And to chill, and majority of the big events about Jamaica, they are held here. You see me? Yeah, trust me. Beautiful place, beautiful. So as you can see, it's like some kids event going on over there. That's where, this is exactly where they kept the Bob Marley concert.
Oh,
the live
really?
performance concert was right here.
Like the actual Bob Marley?
Concert, no, the actual concert that we kept for Bob Marley's birthday and for Reggae Month. Right here. Yeah, it was great. Emancipation Park. So we had to leave out of Emancipation Park a while ago to catch this. This is just crazy. Look at this here. Well, I don't know what is going on, but tomorrow is Jamaica Day, and to see this, they have a band up there playing and loads of kids marching in the road, and they're singing reggae music. Listen good. Big up, see it? This is just amazing. So let me see if I can get to the front. That is it. This is just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Aya! How are you, Stevie? Blessed. Oh, let me talk to her a little bit. I know her, so I'm gonna ask her to tell me a little bit. All right, I'm gonna ask you a little bit of question. You can tell me a little bit what's going on, what the initiative is about.
Alright, so today is Ben Paul's birthday, the founder of Scouting, and we generally have road march on this his birthday. So we are marching from Scout headquarters to King's House, where we'll have a function there.
Wow, at King's House?
Yes.
All right, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for that, all right? Good seeing you again.
Yeah, man, good to see you.
Yeah. So they have the ambulance with them as well, just in case of anything. So cool. Bless up my teacher, big up. Incredible. Big up, Mr. Officer, blessing. How cool is that? I ran all the way from from Tayo to get the front of the line to see what really was happening. And there you have it. The teacher actually explained what happened, or what is happening. How great is that? How cool. So yeah, massive. Good to see that they're actually marching and having them singing reggae music. You know, one love. I hear a bit of Bob Marley in there and stuff like that. It was just amazing to catch on video. Oh cool. So back to the regular program. Let's find Tayo. Oh, where is that? We're not sure, but make we go find Tayo as we go through. See it? Yeah. Yeah, massive. So yeah, that is it. That's the Pegasus Hotel over there. Pegasus Hotel, and trust me, Kingston is always a vibe. That is one of the reasons why I just keep my camera rolling, because you might never know what you're going to see. And I'm the type of person who, when I miss certain things, it gets me crazy, bro. You understand? Because I know I always have this camera rolling, you know? Yeah, so there's Tayo. Just find Tayo. So let's see what's going on as to that. Yeah. So Tayo, what's your experience like so far at the park? Was it what you expected?
I didn't expect anything.
It said it didn't expect anything.
Nothing. I'm just going with an open mind.
Oh,
you know, as
man.
a traveler, you always have to just have an open mind wherever it is that you're going to. So, whatever you see. Oh, Marcus Garvey. How will I miss this?
Great Marcus Garvey, you know. So we're pretty much just here with Tayo, getting a few shots off, you know, a bunch of the little things about Jamaican culture, Jamaican heritage, and how we preserve the culture, teaching it to the younger people and the youths coming up. You understand? A lot of persons, yeah man, you can still pass on by. You understand? Nice beautiful lady come out with her Afrobeat, the heritage same way. She have the nice African top. She's going on there. The other lady here, nice shot here. Two handsome young man at the back. It's just crazy. Yeah. So you don't know, we still gotta live and make sure life is nice. But yeah, we're just letting Theo get a little bit of our history and have it documented to share on his platform to the entire world, you know? Yeah. See, as him look, him see Marcus Garvey. So Marcus Garvey, well popular.
Super, he's a legend.
He's a legend. That is it, man. Theo, Tayo say Marcus is a legend, so I think so too.
Slavery. He was a writer, and you know his work, and he was a writer and an activist, and his work helped, you know, change the world. Basically, he changed the world. He's one of the people that changed the world as we know it today, because his work helped fight for the emancipation of black people from slavery. Just check it out. I wish one day I can do something that will be as great as him, because his name is set in stone. Like you can see it right here. Marcus Garvey.
Beautiful.
Road changing slave trade history, changing and ending slave trade across the world generally. Okay, let me see. She was a freedom fighter. Another important and crazy thing about her is she was a freedom fighter. Imagine like a woman back then in a period where men were always in charge and everything, and she came up and was like, no, she was the one leading the freedom fighters, who were the ones, she led them into battle and kind of like changed stuff. Like she's a very, very tough woman and she's a legend. Shout out to her. Shout out to Nani.
Yeah, so as we're here with Tayo, getting a few shots of what's going on, I just gotta say, I love the way the place is actually being kept. It's just beautiful. It's just, well clean and tidy, as you can see. There's so much events are held here, and by the looks of it, it looks like it's just amazing. Very, very well kept park. No joke, no doubt. Trust me. The journey continues. All right, so we're just currently finished with Emancipation Park. We're now heading to Trenchtown. So I'm gonna take you to where Bob Marley grew up, where he normally spend most of his time, and down in Trenchtown. Yeah, so let's go there. We're gonna show him a bit of Bob Marley old vehicle that he used to drive and bunch of stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I want to see that.
Trenchtown.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, so we just arrived in Trenchtown, there's some police across the road that Tayo wants to talk to, like that wonder why is there such a strong police presence right now in Trenchtown. As you can see them over there parked up. We're gonna see if we can just talk to them a little bit, see what's going on, or while we get to document what's going on in Trenchtown. So we're actually in the heart of Trenchtown. You don't know if you watch the video that I did of Trenchtown, the studio is down that side. You don't know, One Brings Music, big up to all the One Brings Music, massive, and we're gonna take a walk down there too as well. But for now, we're gonna find out if these police are nice enough to talk to us, and let's see what happens. Tayo, look.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
The Trenchtown, birthplace of reggae.
Let me just walk and go and meet them now.
Yeah.
Yes, we. Jamaica, so I'm making a video about Trenchtown. Just making a documentary about Jamaica. Yeah.
Can I send you to Mr. Thompson's shop right there? Everybody know him, he's gone viral.
Mr. Who?
Thompson,
Oh
right?
yeah, me I go check Mr. Thompson, man.
You know where?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man, me I go Mr. Thompson.
Christmas list.
Yeah, Yeah.
Yeah.
Me I go Mr. Thompson, man. Mr. Thompson even there on my video too.
Yeah, tell him, sir, right, this is 3rd Street, my bond. 17th 3rd Street.
That
But
is
years
it.
me not come at them place. And when they were going at the house of my bond, go look for it.
Hey, so breeze blow you down, you know.
No, man, three man do the business. Occasionally, I come to my link.
Yeah, man, that is
but
it.
if
Big
them on
up, man.
YouTube,
See, I mean, post a video to man. Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're the
Let's
first
go.
them always.
Always. You know, say this is a big YouTuber.
First them always.
This is a big YouTuber from Nigeria. Yeah, his name is Tayo. Nearly 1 million subscribers. Yeah. There. Yeah, so he interviewed me, said, big up my teacher. I know something up on the work. We have to seal it. We have to seal it. Big up every time. Yeah. Yeah, me tell them, say, I saw my spirit work, you know. Because from him saying with a life, to come talk to them. Me have to do that. You see me? Eh?
You're not from here.
No, man, I come from Clarendon. But me do a lot of videos. Right. Yeah. So, but that's what he wants to talk a little bit about. You understand? I link up with Kino and a few other persons. We're gonna go to Culture Yard and we're gonna go to One Brings Music down there.
You know, sir, Ron, same I'm gonna talk tomorrow up at the school.
Oh yeah?
It's a guy named Travis,
yeah.
public relation officer. He might drove over with his name to ask Ron to come be a motivational speech tomorrow.
That is it.
For the young youth there.
That is it. They make sure say you be safe by the road too.
Yeah, they're gonna be safe, man.
Yeah.
But because we're here, you should be safe now. That's why I'm here. I just want to know. That's why I'm here to meet you, so that I have the assurance that okay, the police is here. I feel like I'm safe because I'm trying to just show.
Every country has good and bad.
I agree.
But the people are very warm and friendly.
I agree.
And let me tell you, if you don't mix up sometimes scarcely, you may just get a little one-off somewhere in the right. But not all. Majority of the time, people know what they are in.
But I agree. All right, him fully agree because he come see it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
Jamaican people are friendly and very nice.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm trying to just show that Jamaica is not really what they talk
Alright,
about.
you one of your friends come here from, but look short you name where you say a tour one day. Your name again?
Yeah. That your brethren, Bodemaya, and Miss Trudy.
I can't believe that's a Jamaica nice. People paint the picture.
Yeah.
Nice place.
You know where I'm from, we don't even talk to the police like that. The police don't talk to us. Oh. Yeah, so it's cool to just come here and be like hi and you guys are responding.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Them are different police. So them stop me and tell them presentation and how them look.
I saw my spirit work too, because from the past and see them a while ago, I say, no, we feel like we can go talk to them, G. You understand? Yeah, I carry them up at Mr. Thompson. I go up a... No, I go over Culture and I go One Brings Music. And a couple other spots.
Do you mind if I ask a question? About Jamaica? Like, what's one thing about Jamaica that you want the world to know about? You're from here.
Let me think about it.
Okay.
Yeah, we can think
But you're from here, right? This is your country.
Yeah. Pick up yourself. Where you here? No.
And that is the Thompson.
Hey, big at Thompson, the whole of them. You don't know that them. And the Thompson, them run after.
Nice.
I not tell him of the shop right there. Say you're one of them two, man.
Good evening, young man. You go on.
No, as a mother, may I give them some encouragement?
Yeah, you don't look like some mother, you kind of look young, you know.
Look here.
Careful, you know.
Take care of yourself, I don't want no number.
Yeah. Alright. So you must. Yeah, let's ask him a simple question. Alright, take care, my friend. In your machine.
We're across the world. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, and we also have places where there's violence. But the media always makes it look like the whole of the country is like, oh, don't go to Jamaica. They say don't go to Bahamas. Travel warning, to the white people. They're like, don't go here. But I'm like, that's why I'm here to show that anybody can come to Jamaica and you can come and experience the love and the culture.
It's just like here.
True.
Like, the most violent areas would be here.
I have one last question for you. What's your favorite Jamaican food?
Favorite Jamaican food.
I'm saying that I look very fun. I have one like it.
Jerk pork. What about you, bro? What's your favorite Jamaican food?
That is it.
Fish?
Steamed fish.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can find so you can cook it properly.
Yeah, I got you.
So guys, you can see, I'm just here with the cops in Jamaica and they are so friendly. They just told me their favorite food right now. This is one of the first countries I'm going to. I'm talking to the police and they are so responsive. That shows you guys that Jamaica is very welcoming. So you guys should definitely come down to Jamaica to come and experience it. Yeah, man!
Yeah. You don't know, big up on yourself and respect. You hear me,
Which part of the
teacher?
client are they from, man?
Sandy Bay and Old Harbour. So Bannistock, Old Harbour and them side there, and Sandy Bay side.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Him look familiar as me see, you know.
From Clarendon, you know, but
Yeah.
oh, cool,
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man, and be safe on the journey, isn't it? Yeah, man. Respect. You hear me, teacher? And you man, respect. Should I can do some Superman jump and cross? Want to carry over One Brings music? Yeah, we are going to that lane there. Yeah, respect. Nice. So as you can see, I didn't cut out anything. I recorded the approach, the everything, and there was very nice, very decent police officer. I must even know that sometimes because police when time them not decent. But you see them two you there? Very, very professional police officer. And they're actually vigilant at the same time. Because you can see one speaking to you, the other one looking around and making sure that everything is okay. And couple of times I see him looking down on me, checking me out, checking my waist out, everything to make sure that I'm good. So even though we were there talking, he was like, yeah, I'm still at checking out. And he do a pretty good job at that. I just didn't make him know that I was seeing you checking me the right way and making sure that we're good. So, anyways, as you hear him say that, the place is peaceful. You know, sometimes, you know, people flare up, everybody, even at your house, bro. If you have your woman, you and your woman get into an argument at times. So, I guess everywhere is like that, you know?
Everywhere is like that.
So,
Everywhere across the world, man.
yeah, so massive there you have it. So we're in a Trenchtown and let's see some more stuff in Trenchtown. Let's go, man. Yeah, so we actually pull up our One Brings music. Them really don't know so we're there. So we're there in the heart of Trenchtown, you understand? Brings! One Brings! I saw me stay, I'm brawling. Some nice beautiful lady over there, so them inside there. So them don't know so nobody know the body there, you know. Who in there? Brawling, we pull up. You understand? One Brings music. You understand? So look here. We followed a big YouTuber. This guy's from Nigeria. His name is Tayo. Yeah. Me I try to link up with Kina from when, but me not get him on the phone now. Me know him there over so still. You see me? But me want to give him a little shout so him could link on the same way. And make him know so we are forward. You see me? But me still have to pop up because me not get him. One Brings music. I just see you alone in there?
No, yeah.
Yeah, me come in, Tayo. Okay, catch a little vibe. Send speed. Who that man? Lively no man. Yeah. That in on. You understand? So me carry one big YouTuber now. This man have nearly 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So me say we can't make them people afford in Jamaica and we not check out One Brings and forward a Trenchtown. You see me? So the genius they are right, you know. Yeah. So play something. Play. Let me see if you really drop a space, press space bar. Alright, see it? Work and go on. Alright, you can cut it because I know so this soon drop and go copyright, you know, so you know it go. Yeah, so One Brings family. You understand? Big up for the artists, them, I don't know if them their own.
I want to ask them about Trenchtown and just talk about the experience there.
That is it.
That's fine, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so who is One Brings? Both of you?
It's the recording.
Okay, it's the recording.
Yeah. So,
okay.
And we make you know exactly.
And me personally, Ingenious Brings, is you can find me on YouTube, Instagram, any platform. Ingenious Brings, and you go find me.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you don't know.
One J Brings. Yeah, man. One J Brings on every platform, is it? Starbucks boss.
Mad. So what's it like? Can you tell me about Trenchtown? Because I've been hearing about Trenchtown. What's Trenchtown?
Trenchtown, as most people know Trenchtown for it's a musical community, you know. So from was small I grew up, music was always something where we are always hear. So typically we are gonna just get in that fever there naturally without we don't have to think about it. Because from where I grew up, we are here Bob Marley playing at the place, and as you can see we have guitars, you know. So the whole what I call like the whole gene of music start from just living in Trenchtown, because no matter where you go you have to see music. You know? So it's just how One Brings come about, you know. We just always hear music, so we say alright, we'll try it and it works for us.
So would you say like Bob Marley is like a big inspiration?
I mean,
Yes.
Bob Marley. Look, so much tourists are fly down just for Bob Marley.
That is it.
So how that for enough to be an inspiration for we? And that we want to own a legacy and see so past and whole younger generation with names still live on, man. Yeah, man, and people want to know who is one brings, same like how your father want to know who is one brings. Yeah, that's standard they want to set it.
Oh, you mean?
So what's it like living? What's it like for you living in Jamaica?
In Jamaica.
Yeah, what's Jamaica like for you? What's it like?
Honestly, some people that say, you know, them would want to leave Jamaica, but Jamaica just have some type of different vibration, you know, cause and I've been to the States already. I've been in areas where certain way how we live in Jamaica is not just the same over there. Cause you get up in the morning and say, "Well, go on, good morning, good." That's just our Jamaican way of interacting. Yeah. But that's it comes from even from Africa, cause we are African descendants. We have that little jovialness about we. Yeah. Even when you see the videos with Africans, when people go there, them have that type of same approach to it. Say, "What go on, you good?" That's just how Jamaica is like. No matter where you go into the country, you gotta have people that relate to you that way. They want to go, you good? Young man, you lost. You know, they want to know if you're really alright. Yes. You go certain place, some people not really business boy, you just go where you go. But Jamaica just have that little family thing there, no matter if we are no blood related. We just have that family gathering there too. So no matter where you go in Jamaica, you gotta get that gratitude, you know, that greetings there, no matter where you go. I have to know you to deal with it that way there. So that's just the best thing for me about Jamaica. Yeah, we have that warm welcome there to anybody.
Well, thank you. That was awesome.
Well said.
Then also, you know, when people think about Jamaica, all they think about is ganja, the weed.
Yeah.
Can you talk about that?
This.
Man.
That I can't selfish.
This. Give everything you need in your mindset, make you think good and steady. Yeah. Don't feel like say, yo, through your ear them talk about weed and a bad. Weed is no bad thing. Keep your mind calm and make you steady and keep focus. Nobody can tell us say, yo, them smoke weed and weed make them go do bad. Yeah, man, I'm a smoke more weed and then I still there, some man. And lyrics more good than my phone and a fast. Right, same time in my notes. If you look at my notes, say that man, music, we deal with man. Music, is it my father?
That is it. Oh, you mean?
Weed. As a Bob Marley, you look enough a Bob Marley interview, Bob Marley tell us that weed more calm you than more make you aggressive. So people feel like say, oh, no smoke weed, red, it help you to get hot-headed. No. When they smoke weed, they want to sit down and be, you know, you just want the inner environment where you would right now. So if you are dealing with music, that's just the environment where you want to settle in. So we don't really have a negative thing for say about weed, just that. If you don't really think it's your thing, it's just not your thing. Yeah. If it's your thing, it's just your thing.
So what kind of music do you do?
We do all kind of music, honestly. You know, we do music for the good, the bad, because the world is the good, the bad, and the ugly. You know, we do it for every we try to fit in every genre, but not focus too much on one. Yeah. Because we have good songs, we have bad songs, we have happy songs, we have sad songs. So.
Any song for different times in life?
Different type of energy. We have a song to inspire the youth, and we have the song them for inspire the girls, and we have song for inspire anybody they can take for.
Okay, so there's something they said about, I think I heard it about Jamaica. It says like, it's either you are in one of three things. Yeah. Either you're in music, you're in sports, or you're in a gang or something. So what's the way that a lot of young people are taking themselves out of the hood?
Alright, if Jamaica, alright, I'm gonna look at Jamaica now. Jamaica, it kinda, I'm not gonna say it's one of the hardest to kind of break out of the ghetto side of it, but it's just have to be your mindset. Because for we, you know, when we grew up, we probably have a different dream, not just to do music. Because for me, the one for turn an architect. You see me? So the fact that when we go through the schools and then you find out, say, so, and everybody can pay for go architecture school, you have to find some other inspiration. Like probably you probably never expect you to go to filming, but based on where the journey take you have to just walk with it. Because sometimes Jaja just have to show you, say, this you for do. Because when we try a whole heap of things, we go to college and try and it never work out. You see me? Not really because just you not have the mindset, but it's just probably financial partner go. So you find you to say, alright, me rely upon football because football are my thing. And it help them.
We leave our cut bro. Remember say before me start the music, me was a baller. Play for boys, so win league, then I go Tivoli, start playing Manning Cup. And what? I say, my friend them do music, and I sing one song one time and go perform it on stage. And people like, I say, yo, your son have a tune. Anyhow, him did have that on CD, I play it every morning. I'm there with my friend them and them build tune. And I start build tune and just say, music. Me I take up, stop play ball, stop cheering everything.
Yeah man, you have to follow your dreams because honestly bro, it's just like me too, you know. Me normally sing, play football, every one of them. I normally take it well professional. Me never know say, me I go just jump in on YouTube and filming and things. So I may say, you were there at a spot in our life. Me did want to be an electrical engineer, which me end up did go be it. And why me in it for like 10 years, me I say, I know it this, you know what I mean? I know it. And I guess doing this now for like 3 years, I say, yo, yes, somebody did for a long time in a bit. So me understand when you say you play ball and thing and you start the music and you say, yo, yes, some energy there, you know? Yeah, fully overs, bro.
The warm welcome when you get there, different, you know?
Different. Me fully understand you, bro.
So I think another thing, I need you guys to teach me patois. Some words. Teach me some words in it. I don't know which word, but I know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I know.
Me your cuss bad word.
You see me?
Yeah, me your cuss bad word.
Huh?
Bad word.
Bumbleclat.
Yeah.
That is it. You never have to know if you say bumbleclat. Everybody has say, yeah man, a yard man this man.
Yeah man. You when say yard man this.
What does yard man mean?
Yeah man.
It's me. You're in a Jamaican community.
Six tropics.
Yeah.
So am I a yard man?
Yeah. So you there know when you say yeah man, you don't know where they are yard, you know?
Yard. Yeah man. Jamaica yard. Is it?
Yeah. When we got foreign, when we got foreign, and once you see all him, we say yo, see a yard man and a dog. Yeah.
See when them fought from foreign, them abroad.
Yard man.
Do you guys listen to Afrobeats?
Yeah, bro. We can say we're basically entwined with the world still. And we know so right now Afrobeat is kind of one of the dominant music right now in the musical space. Cause anywhere you go. And to me, Afrobeat and dancehall kind of is like the same wavelength because that's how dancehall should be. You see me? Dancehall was like that where we have the energy day and night and Afrobeat have the energy day too. So naturally we have the relation to it. We love Afrobeat just the same like dancehall.
Dope. So can you do you have like any music you're working on now? And just kind of like I just want to get you guys walking. Yeah. Just some shots of you guys walking.
Alright, we can show you. You mind if we play your song from YouTube?
Okay, your own song from YouTube. Yeah, play.
I know Kish my world.
No, but I wanted to get you mixing the beats, like trying to do.
Like way that work on a while ago when we just step in.
Just get that as well.
So one brings music. You understand? I'm always telling you when I give the Instagram to sometimes spell it, so they would know if I the letter or the actual number. You know.
So my Instagram 1J brings it go like 1.
The number letter, 1.
Yeah, number 1. Yeah. Letter J, BRINKS.
That is it.
Yeah, bro.
That is it. And if you don't search One Brings Music, as we say, ONEBRINKSMUSIC.
That is it.
So you spell out the one, then the music, then the brings, and that is it, man.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Yo, man, big up everybody who feel like say, oh, I hate this in our year, you know. 2024, you know, believe and receive, you know, one brings the fruits to sink. Here we go on. I'm feel like I hate this. Rich farm enough time for quit. The whole world I wait to see the history. And stay far from the fake when I with me. But me still a pray, man, I God bless Pitney. The amount of fight and take risks. Whole heap of this, now you're so see the victory. Yeah, say your soul, say the big J. I'ma feel like, I'ma feel like. Say I'ma feel like I hate this. I'ma feel like, Nigeria say I hate this. Boom, yeah, I hate this. Boom, nice.
One brings music.
That's how we don't find you to check it out.
Like I hate this, one day brings
like I hate this.
My one brings music, you see. But beat composer this to
Genius.
Artist, man. Everything, man. You know, engineer, producing, beat making, everything, man.
Alright, you don't know. We're going to culture yard. You understand? Big up every time. It's a vibe. Yeah. It's a energy. Jaja youth. Find his page. Yeah. Right round pan the one brings ends. You understand? One brings music. No joke, no doubt. Right in a Trenchtown. What a vibe. Yeah, so we just step out of One Brings HQ. You don't know a thing, but right in the lab we just come out and we are walking around a culture yard. You understand? Look at me, I have to go move the van a little bit. Alright, so I see what going. Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, so Tayo, I make a walk go right around a culture yard. You see me? With the big DJ. I hate this.
I hate this, man. I wouldn't believe.
I hate this. Time is now.
I never.
That is it. What you mean? Let's go. Ready, Tayo? We are go through here. Yeah. Bless up my teacher. Respect. You don't know anything though.
This is the One Brings drive, you know?
Yeah, man. Them say this avenue are the One Brings drive. Yeah.
Done, son, you know?
Man, bless up, respect.
The next artist, the expert.
Bless up.
Yeah. You know a Jamaica walk by already, man. You know the thing already. Mad thing. You know a Jamaica walk by already. I want grow. But big YouTuber from Nigeria, nearly 1 million subscribers. So we just make sure say One Brings family. You don't know, gone out same speed. You see? That is it. Mad thing. Yeah, we'll go for culture. Yeah.
So culture yard, what's culture yard?
Where Bob Marley never stayed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you don't know a bit of culture of people in the, and it's called the Trenchtown culture yard.
Oh, okay. So this way you stay? This way you always stay?
Yeah, when him sitting at Trenchtown, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, culture yard. Bless up, respect. Yeah, fire. Bless up. Manners. Yeah, Jamaica walk by and Tayo. Wagwan. Yeah. Culture yard. Wagwan. We're there, you know. You know, so right as we're there at Trenchtown Culture Yard, the great Julian Marley just pull up. No joke, no doubt, massive. Look what I go on. Blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by, you don't know? Yeah, Stone man, Julia. We meet a couple times at Tough Gang Studio back in the days with Dean Fraser and Greg them and Carlos Rowley. Yeah, so it's an energy, Tads, you don't know. It's a vibe. He's a big YouTuber from Nigeria. His name is Tayo. Yeah.
I just came here, I'm making a video about Jamaica. So I said I have to come here, definitely.
And look who pop up.
Yeah.
It's great, man, it's great. What an energy. Welcome, man. Big up. Blessings, man. Blessings. Respect. Yeah. Respect, man. Good to see all the massive. You mean? See. Easy. Blessed. Who this one? Look at my friend. One love, my brother. One love. You don't know. Yeah, I rich again. Always I put it on him, you know. Big producer. You understand? Blessings, VG. Big up every time. What a day today going to be. Oh, you mean? Culture yard. Oh, my word. Oh, you mean? Wow. So massive right now, culture yard, they don't know Julian Marley in the building, and it's just a vibe, it's just an energy. OMG, what a beautiful sight. Whoa. So we're actually at culture yard. You know, Julian Marley actually in the place. You understand? Remember the bad machine? The bad machine.
So what's this? This is the bus?
Yeah, one of Bob Marley vehicle.
Sorry, can you say that again? This is the bus?
Yeah man, that is one of Bob Marley bad machine.
Sorry, hold on.
Yeah, so this is Bob Marley VW that he used to have.
Oh.
Yeah, so this was driven by Bob Marley himself.
Oh, wow.
You understand? Yeah, man, you can go inside if you want to. Say you're driving a Bob Marley van. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bob Marley VW that he used to have. This is a crazy experience, man. So many great people in this yard right now, culture yard. Stoneman over there, Julian Marley, like so many persons from overseas and abroad. It's just a great experience, trust me. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt, let's do it.
About the government yard in Trenchtown, this is it.
Julian, that is Bob Marley's son. They don't leave us out. There's a part of us. There's a part of Trenchtown. So you see the One Love premiere movie of what you see and what you hear about, it all features about Trenchtown. And this vibration of what you see here in the culture, there's a blessing for you to hold this vibration to see Julian Marley in here at this time now, as it is within this present moment. Yesterday was my earth strong, and I tell Julian that he come and give me power and strength for today. Today, the 22nd, and yesterday was the 21st, was my earth strong. So, you know, it's a blessing to send a message to my African family about Trenchtown, of this real reality of what is real, which is real. You talk about the greats, Bob Marley, Peter Touch, Bunny Wheeler, Alton Ellis, Joe Higgs, Delroy Wilson, Jimmy Tucker, you name it. Here, so it's like the mecca for music.
Mecca for music.
Yeah, love that.
Yes, my fine man.
Yes. One Brinks.
Let me get a shot
Bob.
of me doing that. No, as in, help me get a shot. I want to stand beside them.
You're recording now?
Yeah. It's recording. You have to hold it.
Yeah.
I
Alright.
need to hold it with your two hands so that it's stable.
Alright.
So it's straight.
I know I'm gonna just do it like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I see it, so man.
So right now, massive culture yard is just blooming with great people and, you know, just a nice cultural vibe. You understand? One brings music. You don't know, we have to always talk about the young legend them, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Give them the strength them need to reach them place, yeah. And them heights, yeah, you understand?
That motivation to get out of it.
That is it. Yo, from your baller to, your baller can't come out of here, you still play ball at even time, though.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Play ball, even when the boy studied one for far back and play a Super League, but that can take me off of my mind. So I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I understand your mind,
I
bro.
love ball, see you, man. We still do it to keep fit.
Fit.
You know, artists have active on the stage. Man.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing, what you mean?
1, 2, 3. We say prayer to the whole of Trinity. Robin. O-N-E. Bob Marley was sing about one love, one heart. Let's get together, feel alright. What's your first name? Chantel. Alright, I can tell you how much I care for your love for today. I'm not going to use this word I love you. I love you is like my enemy. So Chantel, I love of your loves at all times. If not, give me a hand. I love one love. The way how we walk is right forward. See that, Chantel? These are words of immorality for the way forward. And when you do like this, it protected the woman's sanity. Social distancing many years ago. Come. No? See? Social distancing many years ago. We live that life. This is what the life near my family live. When all of us go in our circle and we do this, we look like ancient Windsors. See that?
That is it, Stone Man. Yeah. So remember, Massive, it's just an energy. Trust me. Some of you probably watched the video that I did of Trenchtown around here. Man, it's just beautiful. Beautiful.
I want to ask.
Tell me, what you want to ask? With Julian?
Yeah.
You want to get to speak with him?
Yeah, speak with him. I just made him and talk to him. Like,
let's see let's see how it goes.
I think he's eating.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's eating.
Yeah.
Oh, he said, "I eat some food." You wanna ask him permission until he's finished eating?
Okay. Yeah.
Let we see what happens, man. You don't know. He's a cool guy. Come on.
We have something else that I came to do first. So I complete that. About a minute or so.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Let's go through. Sorry, then. When I finish off the phone, we got 5 minutes. So
Yeah, man, get it, man. I'm going to send over some things.
Yeah. Two general.
Alright, so Massive, since we are walk with this G here, I don't know how we miss it. We actually taught him at the front, but so what me I realize so far, a tough artist. Him one of them will just never get in at the video where we did actually do a change some. Before you start, me G, come in, let me talk to you a little bit. Yeah, so what's your name again, my teacher?
This is Tuga said expert, originated from Trenchtown, my hometown, you know what I mean?
That is it.
Dead. Get it around there. Blah. Chippy boy, Chippy, telling you.
That is it. So before me even going at the interview, I want you actually tell them your Instagram account. You're on Instagram and them thing, right?
Yes, my Instagram is expertmove1. You know what I mean? That is EXPERTMOVE1. Check it out.
That is it. So Massive, after I'm finished talk with Tayo, we are going to actually make him drop a little piece of freestyle and think. I don't know what Trenchtown with them is a musical community and a crazy talent down here. You understand? Yeah, one brings their same speed and let's do this. Tayo, take it away.
Tuga said the expert live and direct in Trenchtown Culture Yard. I can't lose. Bowie nah. Them can't kill we nah. Them can't kill we nah. No, we no double say nah. We can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we, nah. Them can't kill we, nah. No, we no double C, nah. Yeah, we fight the fight like Mike Tyson. Heavyweight champion, yeah, we mighty. I'm a only trust the Almighty. Surpass all who try style me. Show love to all who don't like me. Even though my camp on the beat, me still grimy. I fi make it one day, no time be. Blessed from birth, so you know we anointed. I can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we, nah. Them can't kill we, nah. No, we no double C, nah. We can't lose, but we nah. Them can't kill we, nah. Them can't kill we, nah. No, we no double C, nah. Change my meds, not tarot, when I love there. Flip fly out, them want change the subject. KPH, them want see the thugs there. Youth for bus where, who no just where. Big up the youths where house up on the bus step. And the ages of them where they out there. Long time expert for they out there. Enough nights where they are studio bus sweat. Can't afford to lose.
So we are still in Trenchtown, and I tell us that these are some new murals on the wall in Trenchtown. OMG, from Rita Marley, I see Peter Tosh, I see Bob Marley, I see Bunny Wheeler. Oh man, I see they have a Selassie portrait too as well. Bob Marley, One Love over there. OMG, beautiful. Look at that. So we're still in Trenchtown with Tayo, and Julian Marley is actually here too as well. And it's just a great energy, really great vibe going on here in Trenchtown. I artist this?
Yeah, man.
Jaja no. Right now you're great. Great. Look at that. Jaja, man, just have the portrait in him and a draw the man. Oh, word. Look at this.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful, my bro. Michael Robinson. Michael Robinson, remember him name. Great man. Look at my left him name in our history. Look at this. So how we can find it on Instagram?
Michael and Tony Robinson.
Michael and Tony Robinson on Instagram. Look at that. Who you drawing right now? Let me see. Oh, Raphael Smith. Jaja no. Look at that. Yo, the normal thing this, brother. Yo, trust me. Briggs, we're saying in the future I name it on the wall too, you know.
Yeah, man, I saw about next week, no ghost. You might say if I future, if I want to on the wall, that's soon.
Yeah, man, thing, that is it, man.
You're young legend in the place.
Yeah. When name again?
August name.
Yes, that is it. Remember, we are looking out for your picture, your portrait on the wall too. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Trenchtown. Kino, where you there? Yeah. So I'm telling you that so when I hear them talk about certain things in Jamaica, and a normal thing, I say it's different. You see how they just pull up and just say, yo, what you painting and who is on the wall and them things there, and have a normal conversation. And some believes the police is there and him experience that in a Jamaica. Kind of like when we say we're going to talk to those police over there. Yeah? Yeah, DJ, sing the man. You hear me in the Trenchtown and a ball in the man. You go on. So, hear me teacher, big up and respect. Yeah. Yeah. No, no video, me a video.
Okay, make sure I come in a video too.
Yeah. So you can give out a TikTok to our Instagram.
No, no, them.
Just a fool around.
Them thing that
Yeah, but blessed love, man, respect me teacher. So, big Nigerian YouTuber, I know, nearly 1 million subscribers.
What's the name of the other town? What's the name of the other town?
Say again?
The town I'm going to tomorrow.
Oh, you want to go Ochi? Ochi or Montego Bay?
The beach town.
Oh, that's a Ochi race at that. Ochi race.
And then the other one, what's the popular
Montego Bay.
Montego Bay.
No, I suppose that.
I always mix it with sand. Sorry?
Portland.
Yeah, him now go get to the Portland on the journey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah man, the big up and respect. You see, blessed love always. A Jamaica walk by thing, I'm a YouTuber now. Jamaica walk by. As I'm bringing all of them massive and make them see country. Place nice, brother. Yeah, one love. See, you get some experience of a lifetime, bro. Yeah man. Yeah, we can't make this up, my teacher. We can't make this up. So there you see it, bro. Even though all I stigma them what them talk about with the world, my teacher. All I hear me say, don't video me now. Yeah. He's just messing around. Yeah, cause I know me a video. You understand? So it's just a vibe, it's just an energy and thing. Big up again, Zane bro. Cool. Yeah man, it's just a vibe. OMG. One love always. Yeah. That is it. So we are gonna roll out of Trenchtown. One brings music. Tell them again.
The expert mode.
That is it. Can't kill we in ya. You understand? Yeah. Down there so. So we are roll through. One brings
outside.
That is it.
Hear that.
Amen. Yeah, massive. How great is this? You don't know Julian Marley actually come round by the One Brings family and checking out the One Brings recording studio, which is just amazing, massive. You don't know. Right at the One Brings. So it's always great to have them come to this side to check out the new youths where they might work and thing. Julian Marley is in there. He's in there. That is it, checking out the One Brings family. Look at that.
Yeah, welcome to this Island Bus Road. To the world Columbus.
I must Bus Road. That's the new name. I Must Bus Road.
That is it, yes,
that is it.
I Must Bus Road.
I Must Bus Road.
So welcome, this is the One Brings.
The system, we don't want to be no victim. Now make them kill with thoughts and with big dreams. Invest in some business, estate and couple buildings. We never born as a rich king.
Mad thing.
Yes.
One Brings with the road, One Brings music. You understand?
That is it. That's cool.
It. What a vibe to them and John was star. Ha!
So it's about Jamaica. I'm a travel YouTuber. So I make videos about different countries across the world. So I'm making a video about Jamaica just to showcase Jamaica to the world as a beautiful place to come to. Just like one question about what do you want people out there to know about Jamaica? People who are never been to Jamaica before.
Yeah, but one couple of drinks, man. One full lit vibe. Hi, this is Julian Marley.
What do you want the world to know about Jamaica?
Jamaica is one of the most powerful places on the face of the earth. It transcends the music, it's reggae music that changed the whole world, you know, from east, west, north and south. No matter where you come from, this music, from this place called Jamaica, transcends all barriers. So, and if you see where the music come from, take a look around. You know what I'm saying? It come from the people who know what it is. You know what I mean? To uplift and to fight through and really keep positive to go through. And this is the fuel that fuels the whole world. I hear people listen to reggae music, it saves them life. Look where reggae music come from. You know what I mean? It's the ghetto. Jamaica is a beautiful place on all sides. Real beauty though is in the people, you know what I mean? In the community.
Okay. Then last question, what is your life philosophy for happiness?
Life philosophy for happiness.
Yeah. What's the secret to happiness for you? What's your point from your point of view?
Secret of happiness is to be yourself and to love and to have that love inside. You know what I mean? That love. Because if you love yourself, you love life, you gotta love your brethren and your sister. So that is, the philosophy. Love, you know what I mean?
Thank you.
One love.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, one love.
Let me get a picture.
Ready?
Yes.
Nice. Respect.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. There you go. Wonderfully said by great Julian Marley. You understand me? I tell you, what an energy, what a vibe. It was just a great experience. As always, you don't know what Jamaica walk by. You understand? Theo, what say about the kind words Julian said to you?
Yeah,
Great.
I loved it. It was dope. Was touching.
Yeah, we make a move now.
That is it. There's even
man,
bread
take
that
it
one
easy.
principles to sing, share the love.
That's life.
Yeah, that.
Life is so interesting because we didn't even know we're gonna meet with somebody like this. When we're coming here, we just randomly came and it's like God just made him just come at that point in time.
So me tell us something does work. Keep the cameras rolling and just going. You might never know
what might happen.
Yeah, man.
It's
So
possible for me to believe.
that is it. So we are run out and now we're going to catch a few food and bunch of things. We're going to Trenchtown and thing. So that is it for down here, so outside. That is it. So we just the right of one cook shop right us up on 5th Street in a Trenchtown, same way massive, and we are going to try curry. Yeah man, come through me G. We are going to try the curry chicken back and rice. You understand? So actually Tayo actually getting a little bit of shot of the curry chicken back coming from the pot as we stand up right us in a Trenchtown and make it possible. It's just a nice vibe, massive, and trust me, say you want to try food and you see the video so long, we've been doing a lot of things. And I wonder where Mr. Thompson is, but Mr. Thompson forward. So we're right beside Mr. Thompson shop, right at 5th Street in a Trenchtown. And them are found the curry chicken back and rice. So a mad thing. What the shop name again, G? Bunyan. We're the right at Bunyan cook shop, right at 5th Street to be specific. So if you don't want a real local food that has tourists and them things, they just follow the local piece of food and just come buy no food, right? So see menu there today, you understand, on a Thursday. No joke, no doubt. Fried chicken, curry chicken back, curry chicken foot and what that? Broad bean. Easily. Real Jamaican style. Easy no man, look good. Yeah. Yeah, so seafood them now.
Food there.
That is, yeah, can we open them a bit? Ah, curry chicken back and rice. With a little bit of vegetable there and thing. Him love food spicy, you know, so we are endorse and blast this.
Yeah.
Mad thing.
Right.
Yeah. Pour a little bit on it. That is it.
Right.
Yeah, on the next one too. Yeah. What kind of juice you have? You have juice on there?
No.
Oh, we have to go over Mr. Thompson.
Yeah, next door.
Alright.
Alright.
That is it. Bunny and Cook Shop right at 5th Street.
So wait, before you.
We're not ready yet.
Okay. Before you, so he said he has been in this business for 33 years.
Yeah.
He has been making this food. So like, can you just tell me the name of your store, Boneyard Cook Shop, and just tell them where they can get it in Trenchtown? All right. Right here on 5th Street.
Yeah.
Right at 5th Street.
Right at 5th Street.
First. Yeah. No. Just because people watching it. What's the 5th Street corner? No, to the camera. Like. Oh, that's I'm just trying to. Yeah.
Yeah. So him just want you tell them straight in the camera exactly
like,
where to find them.
All over the world.
Yeah.
So what do you want? what do you want everybody all over the world to know about your store? So just talk about your store.
Yeah, if you come to Trenchtown, 5th Street corner, it's us for Bunyan.
Open it.
Understand? The real chicken back curry with nice vegetable rice and peas. Okay.
Only in Trenchtown.
Only Trenchtown. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I could enjoy it, you know that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely. Yeah, massive. So you don't know what they are with the curry chicken back. You understand? Alright, where's it over there, so? Hey, we are saying do it real Garrison style. Curry chicken back massive. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah. Let's do this. So, don't know. We have a little bit of pepper on there and thing, you know. Look how Grace pick up pepper. Oh, you just want meat and the chicken back. I just want meat and the chicken back here. Oh yeah. Hey. Delicious. Delicious.
Okay. So I'm about to try out. What's this called again?
Curry chicken back.
Curry chicken back. Continue Jamaica walk back.
Curry chicken back.
Curry chicken back, especially from Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Can only be gotten here. The flies are just.
Yeah, guys, we open in our whole street, you know.
Let me try the curry chicken first. I can taste a lot of curry, definitely. I think that's where it gets its name from.
You can taste that. They fry the chicken like a bit with the spice and the herbs and thing. And do it the right way, man. It don't even seem like it's the back of the chicken. Alright. Delicious, man. Real authentic Jamaican food, bro.
Jamaican food, specially made in the hood.
Yeah,
the
man.
hood is a special ingredient.
Magic. Magic.
Martin.
Magic.
It's a master. Bombo clap.
Yeah. When you taste all the food for the first time and you mash up the taste bud, you have a ball out that, you know? Yeah, man. Really out two food out time. That is it. That is it. Yeah, man. No joke. So what do you think?
Delicious.
Delicious. That is it. No joke, no doubt.
Delicious
Really
with a double G.
Yeah, man. Serious herbs and spices in them things. Remember, they come check out Bunny and Shop. You hear me? I say check out Bunny and Shop right at 5th Street, Trenchtown. Yeah, man. Curry chicken. Back. No joke, no doubt, massive. That is it. Yeah, massive. Great, Mr. Thompson. Remember him from the last video in a Trenchtown.
Rich.
Great, man. Famous man there up on the spot. You don't know. We're going to show him a little bit around. We have to take a theater and it does look like he take about 20 years. Look good now, man. That is it. You understand? We're there right on the shop. We're feeding the whole community right now.
Yeah,
you understand? Bunny and.
Yeah, man. And them man have to call for me to get them body big.
I see that knock down a Trenchtown.
Rich.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We're glad to have you in the place again, my general.
You mean?
You don't know a Trenchtown. Another great place. You know a Bob Marley place. You know a Altanellis place. You know a Dean Fraser place. You know a Delaware Wilson place. I know Mr. Thompson place and a your place. And
that is it. Guess who we meet down there a while ago?
Yeah.
Great Julian Marley himself. Down a culture yard.
Yeah, man. So you don't know Black History Month, you know.
How you mean?
You don't know the Bob Marley movie out on the 14th. So you don't know. You have to get my brand and my t-shirt. Then you're going to make your swag on. Come
Yeah. Come in, Mr. Thompson. You know, waste no time.
Get swag on. Mr. Thompson.
Mr. Thompson's spot right at 5th Street to the massive Trenchtown. No joke.
The store.
Yeah.
No need to check out the store.
Look good.
Let them see Thompson variety. Yeah.
You know Mr. Thompson and play with the champ.
The other one.
Hey, secret. See Chris, Chris, you're hold on there. Before me have a cut, go turn on the radio. Go turn it on. Yeah. Hold on there, turn it on. Christmas list. You say, make sure so when you come back to Jamaica, your picture there look good. Chris, see you there, Chris.
Mr. Thompson.
Chris and Mr. Thompson, Christmas this year, they're on the wall of here.
Panama, we're not playing.
Panama, man thing, watch it.
Side of the paper.
Yeah, watch it, man.
You're going viral.
This large and small. That is it, Mr. Thompson.
Remember, no trust.
No trust.
No lending of money.
No lending of money.
And no changing of money. And we have one more to put up, no begging.
No begging. Big up Mr. Thompson.
Mr. Thompson, alright.
So Mr. Thompson, I'm here with a massive YouTuber. His name is Tayo.
From me, older man, interview.
Yeah, that me I going to know, because me just a whole vine.
Mr. Thompson,
yeah?
welcome to Trenchtown, the birth of reggae music, Mr. Thompson, alright.
Okay.
I rap the brand, so.
Can you tell me something about Trenchtown?
What's your name?
Tayo.
Tayo, Mr. Thompson, right? Yeah. You want to know a look about Trenchtown?
Yeah.
Trenchtown is the birth of reggae music. Trenchtown is a place that create a lot of talented people. And you know you have king like Bob Marley, the king of reggae. You have king, rocksteady, alternatist. And Dean Fraser, the man that blows the saxophone, is another king. And you have, you have Nicholson, the footballer, great people. You have Bigger Thompson, that's him on the wall.
Yeah, that's Bigger.
That's the founder for the store. That's my nephew, okay?
Oh, okay.
Arnett Garden. You're back-to-back champion, okay? And this is Mr. Thompson, so you know you have your own great people. Trenchtown is a great place, a talented place. You know, and a place that, you know, a lot of tourists, people all over the world come to Trenchtown, okay? To get the culture, to get about the reggae music, and you know you have a lovely atmosphere.
Yeah.
You have a little violence here, you know, violence is a thing that worldwide, not Trenchtown, but we hope the youth them, and you know, calm down and educate themselves. You have an art program over Boys Town. They can go and learn a trade and learn a skill. Because we're not
rich.
Leroy Smart tell them say 2 places, said, you know, the cemetery, okay, and to the prison. I don't want to see the youth go to prison. I want youth them to have fun and to enjoy, you know, community like Trenchtown, you know, the music talent. And a lot like Mr. Trenchtown, from not Mr. Thompson, from nothing to something. So you can come take a look in the store. What?
Yeah, man, before you go, I have another question. What do you want the world to know about Jamaica?
What do I know about Jamaica?
The world.
Yeah, the world to know that Jamaica is a very famous place. A little small dot, but it is very famous. A lot of people around the world want to come to Jamaica. Yeah, man. And Jamaica is a very nice place, okay? So you're welcome to Trenchtown. So you know Trenchtown and Jamaica and the world, one love. As Bob Marley the King tell you, one love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and you will be alright. You will be alright in Trenchtown with the protection of King Selassie Jah. And remember, God Almighty. Yeah, man. Woo. So we are going about Mr. Thompson clothesline now. I think I check it out.
Trenchtown me there.
Trenchtown me there. Trenchtown. The next brand here. I love Trenchtown. And this one. Trenchtown vibes.
Ooh,
Yeah.
like vibes cocktail?
Yeah, man. So you have to vibe up on this dance before you leave.
Can you say that again?
Yeah, man. It's all cost 30 US.
Yeah. You said.
Yeah, but they can't put it up in Jamaica.
You said you have vibes before you leave. You said you have vibes
No, you have to buy one.
Oh,
you
okay,
leave.
okay.
Yeah, you have to take one. Yeah, man. I the brand this. So we are trying to create him something out of Trenchtown, as you can see. We are trying to make a positive move, business-wise. To get the poverty out of us. Because if you don't try to get the poverty out of it, it's not gonna leave you, okay? So we give thanks for the moment, to have great people like you come to Trenchtown, as you can see. The journalist here, catch him, man. This is Christmas list. He's way from out of Canada. So big up Christmas list and his whole entire journalist traveling to Jamaica. We give thanks to him because he's a great man and spread the love. I go around and interview people like Mr. Thompson. So it's a great feeling.
Mad thing.
What's it like living and growing up? Did you grow up? You grew up in Jamaica? What's it like living and growing up in Jamaica?
I'm born and grew up in Trenchtown, Jamaica. Okay. I'm born at 17 3rd Street. okay? And in Jamaica, you know, especially Rima. Rima is the name of Trenchtown. Wilton is garden right now, but the brand is Rima. You know, so when you hear the name Rima, that's how we don't really use Rima. Okay. And when you hear the Rima part, it sounds like the violence part. But when you hear about Trenchtown, you get the real culture and the love. Okay. And you hear about the reggae music. But Jamaica on a whole, nice, beautiful place. Sunshine, you know, the nice coconut water to drink. You get the ackee and saltfish, Jamaica national dish, okay? And you have the nice, beautiful, sexy ladies.
Woo! Talk about those ladies.
And you get the lady with the Coca-Cola shaped back.
Coca-Cola back a shape back, it's a rolling place.
Yes, I know as potential kiddies from Trenchtown. They say, you know, the chicken gravy, the girl bubbling like a chicken gravy.
Yeah. That's an artist. That's an artist from Trenchtown.
Man, the artist from Trenchtown is in the state now. But Trenchtown is a great place. It's a nice place. The atmosphere, lovely. You have a little time the violence flare up, but it's from creation. Okay, so but you just try to keep it on a smooth as you see the shop. You play a little music, you have a drink, and you can have a little smoke, and you know, enjoy yourself. And you're free to come to Mr. Thompson business place anytime. So you know, anywhere around the world you are, you can check out Mr. Thompson variety when you come to Trenchtown.
You talk about a little smoke now. Is it true that everybody in Jamaica smokes ganja?
No, it's not. I don't smoke.
Oh, okay.
I don't drink.
Okay.
Okay, but it's not everybody smoke. But nothing go wrong with smoking. It's how you control your smoking. Cause you know, weed is something that gives people vibes. You know, some people get a vibe out smoking the ganja. You know, keep them nerves calm. Some can have vibes, you know. So you don't know sensimina, ganja. No problem. No problem.
Yeah. I think. Always Mr. Thompson.
Yeah, Mr. Thompson, man.
That is it. Yeah, so massive after them delicious food they don't know we actually still in a Trenchtown. I'm there with a legend artist. Don't play them. We're there with Fire Torch. You understand? That is it. So massive before me even show on the Fire Torch. You don't know, look on Trenchtown. You don't know, we're there in a garrison, we're there in the birthplace of beer reggae music and whole heap of legend. And see another one here where we are bring forward. Look good now, man. Fire Torch.
Yeah, blazing.
You see me I say? How you mean?
Fire. And me never see this before. And it's a fine figure down in all. Them a live a life in a short and get a four wall without a door. So last year I know I represent here for the Jamaica walk band.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean? So, massive, it's just a vibe and we'll make to you. Tell you talk to him, you don't know. Tell us a little bit about what go on at Trenchtown and where Fire Torch have to say and the message we want to preach to the world. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Let's do this.
When I say, you know, this is a diaspora, see in 7th Street, the whole district, you call it as some Mexico town. Alright? The place full of different type of people. You get what I say, you have the good and the bad, you have the ups and the down, but it is always fun in a Trenchtown. Always love in a Trenchtown. So just make sure so when you come out, come down here, come see it because it is the home of the great Bob Marley, Ken Boo, Alton Ellis, just to name a few. Check it out. Yeah man, we're there.
Trenchtown. Fire Torch. Yeah. So, Fire Torch, latest song, at least a minute of it, or verse and chorus and verse.
Alright, watch out now. Alright, watch out now.
Give me some.
Feed my music, yes. Hey, them one them name get called pan Serpy and the Spot News are My View TV. Them love the badness, still them I wanna be. Hey, every day you not fi ask if a man a dead. Tell me now if you don't tired fi see blood a shed. Talking to the youth every shot of them. No one on your blood but on your bread of them. Them will take the badness down in a chain. Now every little youth want to go and swing. Especially in a cup and a split for bill. Never know say dunce gonna be a thing. No. Hey, me never see this before. Hey, youth a fine figure down in all. Them a live a life in a shore and get a four wall without a door. And me never see this before. Education no better no more. It's like them brain go fly out panther. Boom. Better you go and learn a skill. Cause in the street it cold and a skill. But it will be crawl on your skin.
That is it. Fire Torch. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Fire Torch. So all them massive them actually want to find Fire Torch right now. Tell us how we can find Fire Torch and the music them.
Alright, the whole thing is real Fire Torch. REALFYAHTORCH, man. Every platform. The only two things is not like that is my Spotify and my Apple Music. Them go by Torch, but everything else real Fire Torch. Touch me up on the Instagram and say hello in the DM because you know say me answer. It's always love.
Yeah. Bega one more piece of tune. One more piece of tune.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Enough don't know what they been saying. Others don't know what they been playing. Walk by them got the hits pan top of it's out of the crate. That's why them take that torch and slaughter them right away. So we play it in the streets, make it float up in the breeze and walk by and play a blood clot.
Hey! Boop, boop, boop. That is it.
Yeah. Give it again there. Give it again. Do it. Walk by. Yeah, man. You ready, you know?
Yeah.
Tell them say you walk by again. Hey, we say we nah beg no friend. Oh, alright then. Enough don't know what they been saying. Others don't know what they been playing. Walk by them got the hits pan top of it's out of the crate. That's why them take that torch and slaughter them right away. So we play it in the street, make it float up in the breeze. And anytime when we get play, it bring us stress relief, yo. Nah promote no criminal, nah no thief. Walk by, make a move, and burn up all the beats, and we tell them, say, play with some good reggae music. Yeah. Jamaica walk by music, yeah. Selassie.
Boom shot! Fire Torch! Madam Bud. Yeah, Tayo. How you mean? Trenchtown.
Trenchtown vibes.
That is it.
So
how
much
you mean?
fun, man. Bumble clots.
Like that.
Yeah, so it's around night time in the evening. We just left Trenchtown and that's the end of another video. I just dropped Tayo off and I'm mad tired. It was a long day, long day. Trenchtown, so much things. You watch the video, you see how many things happen and thing, and I'm just trying to make my way back to home. You don't know. Tayo, big up yourself. Blessings and blessings. And this is actually day 2 completed with Tayo. You don't know, and I'm just trying to make it home. Just dropped him off at the hotel that he's staying. I know he's mad tired, just like I am tired. So blessed love and respect to all. Thank you for watching the video. I'm not sure if we're gonna do a part 3, but you see part 1, you see part 2, and I'm not sure about part 3. Maybe part 3 because he should be going to Ocho Rios and then to Montego Bay, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be along on that trip. Hope I will be, but if I am on that trip, you will see that video on Jamaica walk by and things. See? So mad love, mad respect. Thank you guys so much. Everybody who actually subscribe to the channel, I just want to say thank you. And to everybody who's from Miss Trudy, I just want to say big up every time. More love and respect. Keep on supporting Jamaica walk by as we go through and show Jamaica to the world. Big up to Julian Marley, the entire Trenchtown massive, all the persons who have watched this video to the end. I just want to say thank you so much. Massive love, blessed love to you all, and God bless always. Continue watching Jamaica walk by videos. Seen? That is it. So in this video, I just want to big up Tayo again. I want to big up Miss Trudy and her husband for those lovely collaborations too as well. Signing out. Big up Kino Life in Jamaica. We know your place, Trenchtown. Sorry that you couldn't get to be in the video. I know you're overseas, but hopefully another time we can do another video in Trenchtown. See? Alright. Massive love, massive respect. Big up to all my Africans all around the world. Nigeria massive, Zimbabwe massive. You don't know Ghana massive. You don't know Kenya massive. All of you guys, one love. And big up to all my Jamaican massive as well. Big up, one love, blessings from blessings. I'm out like a candle. See? Yeah. Traffic from traffic from traffic from traffic.
thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jaja's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, it is. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, it is. Looking around, I see a kind face, and only used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it. It's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. I'm going away, yes. Nigeria awaits us, Ethiopia awaits us, oh Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. Oh Africa, yeah. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah.